YouTube. People, we will see formally if there is a new live. Sometimes it takes some time to show the new live. Okay. Okay. Yeah, the net is slow. Yeah, see, now the live is visible. So I click on this and then I have to copy this. This is the URL. Copy and I paste it over here. And then you save. It's done. And see, if it's having the red thing, that means live right now. And if I click on these things, now I can see all the people, like people who are coming, people, user who comes over here, the user who are right now here. And this is a log, like who came, who went, who came, who went. And these are the people who are watching right now. And this is the comments. And this is like total viewers. How many people recharge? Like clicked on the deposit button. And this, see. Printed. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for waiting, but I am back. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the live stream of Cheesy Bit. Sorry, welcome to the live stream of Z-Bit. Sorry, I said Cheesy Bit. It's fine, but sometimes I miss Cheesy Bit. Okay, Cheesy Bit was a good platform, so we are all set. Welcome, everybody. Thank you so much for joining this live stream for zbit.com. My name is Yash, and I am a live stream host over here. I'll be taking care of all of you people's doubt, everything which is related to the crypto world. With the same thing, I'll be also giving you live trades. I will also be taking you like talking about all the things like what can go wrong in the market, what cannot go wrong in the market, what we can face difficulties in the market, and every of those things. Okay, this live stream is regarding each and every of those aspects for the crypto trading, and also we go live on like almost 3 different platforms. Yes, YouTube, Twitter, and the people who are on our app. Okay, so if I say welcome new user, like right now it's like user 303885. Welcome to the live stream of the Zbit. He's coming live on the app, and going live on the app is actually the best. So for all those people who are watching me from YouTube and the Twitter, you should go and download the app, and you should come live from the app, because in that moment, if I'm giving you trade, you can actually watch me live on the app itself. You can exit, and if I give you some trade, there is an option of take a trade, and you can take the same exact trade which I've given you. So it will be very much useful rather than watching the YouTube in a separate thing and taking a trade in our app in a separate thing. We are here. The Zbit is offering you this one very specific, very good opportunity that you can go live and you can watch my live, and at the same time you can do the trading itself in the app itself. Okay, so that's the thing. And if a lot of people who don't know regarding like what is Zbit, you don't know regarding this live stream, you don't know what I'm doing, because see, at the very first image when I go live on the YouTube, the people think that there is a guy and there is a trading, so he must be just doing a live trading. But no, this is not just for a live trading. This is a beginner's guide for the Zbit. I'm also here for solving all of the queries which Zbit people are facing. Like it might be some deposit issues, it might be some withdrawal issues, it might be some trade issues, it might be any of those issues. This live stream is for that as well, and this live stream is also for educating you regarding the trading. I can teach you how to trade as well, how to spot your like buy entry, how to spot your all those kind of entry. Yesterday we talked about this one very specific thing that we, like you can see my line as well over here. If I just zoom it, let's discuss some yesterday's trade. Yesterday I told you that we are at the 1 hour demand zone, and this line was the point where I wanted to enter in the point, and this one second, yeah, this fair value gap was my target, where I knew this fair value gap will tap into this situation. And I told you that fair value gap is nothing other than what a sell limit orders are placed over at this point. So exactly that thing happened when this Market got tapped into the fair value gap, a sell limit order got executed, a very big one, and we can see the result of the candle, a very huge red candle. Now, people have a very common myth. Okay, and welcome user 607366. Welcome to the live stream of the Zibit platform. Thank you so much for joining this live stream. If you don't understand about what do you mean by fair value gap, or what do you mean by any of those things, please do comment on the comment section that you don't know about this, and I will explain you each and every of those things in a very simplest and a detailed manner, so that you won't face any difficulties in the market. Because fair value gaps, you can clearly see, by tapping on the fair value gap, we got such a huge momentum. So understanding fair value gap is very important as well. The same way it's important to understand supply zone and the demand zone, the same way the fair value gap is also very very important. Okay, now, as we were discussing this one thing, like user 607366, hi, my name is Yash, can you also tell me your name so that we can have a conversation? And if you are facing any difficulties, like, you can tell me that I took a trade in this but it went wrong, I took a trade in that. Any experience, anything you can share, so that I can understand your experience and I can also help you with that, like XYZ things, like if it's going good, how to improve it, how to risk manage, or all those things. Okay, so just rather than just watching me on the live, rather than just seeing me on the talk live, and you are from 63607, where is it? Yeah, you are from India. Okay, so, and also one thing, if you are comfortable with Hindi language, do tell me. Okay, you are from India. I can see it that you are from India. So if you are, welcome user 462421, and it is, see, to be very very frank, to be very very honest, it is very awkward for me to call you always like user this, user that, like you are some robot or you are some product. Okay, so it's better, like whenever you come on this live stream, please, it won't take much of a time. It will take a very small amount of time to type your name and just say hi. That's all. That's all I'm asking from my end. Like, you just, like, whenever you come on this live stream, just go and say hi and type your name, so that whenever I want to talk to you, I want to call you, or I want to say, I can say your name. It will be feeling like a very personal connection. Okay, so please, whenever you come on this live stream, please do tell me your name. Like, welcome user 462421. Hi, my name is Yash. Can you also tell me your name? Like, what's your name? Where are you from? Are you doing trading or not? You are also from India. Okay, so both of the user was watching right now are from India. So can you also tell me your name as well? Like, you can share me some details of yourself, like how are you? How are you doing? How was your day? Are you enjoying? Are you facing any losses yesterday? Because we can clearly see that the market is, like I said to you yesterday as well, like, do not enter a lot in the market yesterday, because yesterday's market was very dicey. So, user 607366, can I have your name, please? And also user 462421, can I have your name, please? Like, can you just talk to me, tell me about how is going on, how is trading treating you, is it going good, is not going good, are you just like addicted to trading, like constantly doing the trade to recover your loss? But that's a very wrong thing. I can give you a very good like technique to do your risk management as well. Okay, welcome user 230207, welcome user 749211. See, I told you right now only, like whenever you come on this live stream, do comment on the comment section. It will take less than 5 seconds. Like, hi, my name is this. Hi, my name is this. So that I can understand who you are and what your name is, so that we can have a personal connection rather than calling you by user this, user that, user this. And obviously, you also don't know about your user now. So it's better that whenever you come on this live stream, just say your name. Hi, my name is this. Hi, my name is that. It won't hurt. It won't hurt you. It won't hurt me. It will be like communication between each other. Okay, so please, user 607366 and user 462421, can I have your name? Can I at least know with whom I am speaking with? Is it a boy? Is it a girl? Is it a male? Is it a female? Or any of those things? Are you working and side by side doing a trading, or are you a full-time trader with like if you're a full-time trader, hats off to you, bro. That's the guts. That's the guts to have to be a full-time trader. Hello, yes. See, I like that. I actually like that. Hello, what's your name, user 462421? Can you just tell me your name? And yeah, by saying hello, you went. Deal. Yeah, that's how you go. By saying hello and boom. It's like dropping those hellos in the girls' chat. Like, hey, 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 hey. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. Tough days. So, still, user 607366. Still haven't heard from you. It has been like almost 8 minutes that you're watching me. Still haven't heard from you. Where are you from? What you doing? What happening? Every of those things. Do tell me. Please do tell me. User 607366. Can I have your name? May I know your name? Or are you just gonna be like a watch me? That's all. That's all you want to do. Like watch me. You don't want to tell me your name. Like how second can your name be? Like is it that kind of name like you're having a loan on your head? If you share the information, I will contact the bank like hey, this person is here. I want. We have a confidentiality for the our customers. So do tell. What's your name? Welcome user 510323. Hello. Hi, my name is Yash. Can you say your name? Like, this is the thing which I'm talking about. Whenever you come on the live, please do tell your name so that we can have a connection. And that guy went. Now, so I think that this user 607366 is not here. It's like he just opened it and he left it because I'm calling you out so long time. Please do come. Please do come on the my comment section because otherwise, you know, it like it my life feels very dull without you. Please, okay. My life feels dull. Why? Because like for rest of the like from starting right now point for the 4 hours, I have to speak on this screen with myself. Like there is the phone screen in which I can see myself only. Okay, so it feels little awkward. It also feels like I'm talking to a mirror or I am talking to a wall. Welcome user 46241. You said hello and you left. Why? Why you did that to me? Please do tell me what's your name. If you are a trader, then did you had any loss 2 to 3 days ago? Do you want to know regarding the risk management? Do you want to know anything? Anything? See, I'm a push button. You push me, you ask question, and I will give you answers only related to the crypto. But even though if you want to share your personal life with me, I am open. I'm all your ears. We can have a discussion regarding anything over here. Okay. And welcome user 61. Okay. Even before me saying that username, he went. So what's up? What's up? Really, actually, what's up? What's up, people? How are you doing? Can I have like at least some text on that comment section? Come on, that won't hurt. Typing won't hurt. This is not a podcast where you're just watching me. This is a live session where you can have a very good conversation regarding trading, regarding finance, regarding anything which you want to do. Okay, this is a one stop. You can also ask me doubt. I just said to you like this. You can clearly see how useful a fair value gap is, and from that exact point you can see a very good downfall movement has came into the market. You can clearly see that, right? So aren't you a little bit curious that what is a fair value gap? What do you mean by fair value gap? How do spot a fair value gap? How do take a trade in a fair value gap? You are not even a little bit curious. Come on. You are a trader, and as a trader, these fair value gaps are one of those things which can get you a very good amount of profit. And also it can give you an early signal that what is going to happen in the market. This was the line which I plotted yesterday, that I want to enter over here, and my target will be fair value gap, because I know when it taps to here, again a very good downfall of the market might come. That's what I have told you yesterday, right? So again, isn't a fair value gap a very useful concept to know? Don't you think that a fair value gap is a very, very, very useful concept to? Okay, so user 607366. I think we are not going to have a conversation because of you. You are not ready to talk to me. You are not ready to be with me. You are not ready to handle. Okay, but it's fine, user. It's fine. Where I can take this sadness to me. See, that's why I said like this, my life will be dull if in the live stream there is no comments. If the live stream is not talking to me, this live stream is regarding. Otherwise, I would have just welcome user 444474. That's the very cool username, by the way. Thank you so much for joining this live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of Zbit. And also welcome user 850025 on the live stream of Zebit. Thank you so much for joining this live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. Can you at least tell me your name? What's your name? Hi, hello, how are you? What you're doing? What's your name? Just a second. Okay, so user 607366, you are looking like an insulator, like that, like that one teacher who is there with you for watching me, and it's gone. So I think till that time the new user will come on the app, I will just talk to my YouTube people and next people and tell them a little bit about what is Zbit about. Zbit is a crypto exchange platform which provides you a platform to have and take a trade in cryptocurrencies. And you know this one very specific thing in the whole trading world right now, we are watching at the cryptocurrency being the best platform, being the best market to trade and to have the most unbelievable profit in the market. Why? अरे यार, the net is little slow, but yeah, okay. So again, hi, hello, what's up? Welcome user 46242121. Can you share me your name? What's your name? My name is Yash. And for all those YouTube people and the Twitter X people, if you are a little confused regarding what this live stream is regarding and what is Zbit, where did Zbit came from, who is Zbit? I will tell you. Zbit is a very good platform. Zbit is that platform which is offering you a chance to take a trade in the cryptocurrency, which is the most essential, which is the most important, and which is the one of the best profitable market at right now period of time. not even a gold market, not even a stock market, not even indices market, commodities market. None of the market is can make you a billionaire. But trust me, a crypto market can make you a millionaire and a billionaire, which already we can see. It's not like I'm blabbing some things out of my mouth. We can already see a lot of those movements have happened, where we are witnessing a lot of people who have entered into the crypto market, now owns a villa, now owns a penthouse, now owns a very awesome cars, and they have quit that job. That's the best thing. I want to quit. I know you want to quit your job. I know we all want to quit the job. Who wants to go to job? Who wants to go and ask like, what is going today? This is my target for today. So, so come to this platform. This platform can assure you. Why? Because we can provide you a financial freedom if you start taking a trade. But if you don't take a trade, then there is no financial freedom. And what do you mean actually by financial freedom? Financial freedom is actually a concept where you are having freedom with money, that you don't have to worry regarding money. You don't have a responsibility for the money, like, oh my god, I have this much money and this will go here, this will go here, this will go here, and I ended up with zero. Now, if you have a financial freedom, you don't have to worry regarding your the day-to-day life expenses, the monthly expense, the yearly expense, or maybe your future expense as well. The financial freedom can come with adding one more financial element in your financial system. Now, what do you mean by financial element? That is basically passive source of income. Passive source of income, which, like, see, you have one primary source of income. It can be your job, it can be like your farming, it can be any business, it can be anything, like the one primary where your whole household is going on, your whole household expenses, your expenses, your maybe kids expenses if you are having a kids or whatever. Okay, so all those things, if you add one more passive source of income, which is basically passive source of income, can be a lot of things. It's not just one thing, it is a lot of things. It can be business, it can be being a brand, it can be being an influencer, it can be opening a YouTube account, it can be monetizing your Instagram, it can be a lot of different things. But a lot of those things requires a very heavy effort. But out of those things, I have picked one thing for all of you people, which is requiring the most minimal efforts, and minimal time, and most minimal investment, comparing to all those other passive sources of income. Because you know how much money you have to feed to let the company grow, to open a brand, to be a brand, to be an influencer or some other thing. You have to pour so much and so much and so much of money into it. But compared to all those things, there is one very specific thing, that is trading. Trading is that one passive source of income which requires the minimal effort, minimal attention, minimal anything. You want to trade when you want to trade, because cryptocurrency market is 24/7 available. It is not like it is only for a specific time. I have to give them a time from my like stressful time. I have to give time to wait and blah blah blah. No, those things are not happening over here. Crypto market is a global market. It's not just you, it's not just me, it's the whole world is trading right now. And we all know why the whole world got attention of the crypto world, because of the value it is carrying with the most minimal, like the finger snap. If you consider a year, if you consider an era, if you consider a millennial time, like a finger snap, a Bitcoin from zero came up to the 100K level. And that happened, and only happened because of the rich people who poured that money. Now, you must have understood this one thing, and you must have heard that thing from your mother's mouth or father's mouth or any other's mouth, that have a rich friend. Rich friend have a very good mentality. Rich people know where to put their money. Rich people know where to invest their money. Rich people know how to grow their money. Rich people know how to like live like a kings. And they can teach you as well. If you, even if you just observe them, even if you just copy their traits, right? Now, in the Bitcoin market, when the Bitcoin market was not even there, they were in the stocks, they were in the indices, they were in the commodities. Yes. But when the Bitcoin market came, they saw an huge future potential which this market has, and which you can see in your in front of your eyes as well. Okay. At that back period of time, they knew that it can be something worth 100K for one coin. That's why they invested in that period of time. So as all of your parents and relatives or colleagues must have told you that follow the rich people's step, they will help you to grow yourself in every aspect, not just like personality wise, but also the financial wise, also the life wise, personal life, every of those things they will help you. Now that's what we should do. In the Bitcoin market, the first person to invest the heavy hefty amounts were the rich people only. Now, these rich people have given us an option already, that we have a platform, we have a market, we have one market which has a huge potential, which is thereby like they have also told us. Now, we have to take advantage of. They showed the path already. We just have to walk on that path. And I am also providing you, like, if you consider the shoes, you consider skates, you consider skateboard, I don't care, those thing is Zbit. Now Zbit is offering one very specific thing to you. A lots and lots and lots of rewards and lots of new benefit rewards for all those new users and also the existing user as well. We are providing you a platform to trade in the cryptocurrency. Not just that, but we are also giving any new users, like, see, any new user, like, I will, one second, I will just open my second. If you go and sign up, see, there are three rewards which we are offering. I won't be explaining you like the steps and blah blah. The steps are very simple. Create account for free of cost. Okay, this is like, I will just tell you this simply, like, opening an account in Zbit is completely free of cost. It's not like, because see, sometimes I really feel that in people have some mentality like zero account used to have, like, we have to pay for opening a zero account, we have to pay for opening a stockbroker and blah 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 blah. But Zbit is not like that. You can open a Zbit account for completely free of cost. You will be not charging any sort of money from your end. The only money which you have to provide is your own deposit, your own money, which you will start doing trading. That's all. There are three best offers which I'm going to tell you right now about the Zbit. I'm talking to all those YouTube and Twitter people who are watching me live right now. For all those people, I have to see the comments. Welcome user 117917 on the live stream of Zbit. Thank you so much for joining in. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Also, welcome user 373559. See, I've already told you, I've told the previous people, like, see, whenever you come on this live stream, please do say hi, whatever your name is. Like, my name is Yash. So you can also share me your name. You can also share me your experience. Like, yesterday you had a loss. I will help you recover it. Yesterday you were trying to get an entry, but you couldn't get an entry. I can help you find the best entry. I can help you with any of those things. But the only thing you need to do is ask. If you just come on this live stream and you just go away, that won't make any difference in your financial life until unless you take advantage of the thing which is right in front of you. Okay, if there is one thing right in front of you which is providing every of those details and solving your queries, providing you educations, every of those things, take advantage of it. Don't miss those advantage. Okay, still you don't want to talk, right? User 607366. You're the only one who is watching me right now. Do you know that? It's like just you and me on this live stream. I can have your name as well. Please do tell. Yeah, so I was talking about the rewards which CBT is offering to all of you people. Okay, for all of the welcome user 812006, welcome to the live stream of CBT.com. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. And you left. I don't understand how it's like it's tap, they watch, they leave. What triggers them to leave? Like what triggers them? Like it's fine. So the first reward which you'll be getting is after opening the free account. Like again, I said to you, the CBT account is completely free of course. There is no fee, there is no money for entering or for opening an account. Okay. Once you open that account, CBIT, welcome user 218668. Thank you so much for joining this live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. See, the greeting is not even completed and they go, they go, they go, they go. Okay. So, like I was talking to all of you people regarding the rewards. Once you open a free account, the free account of the Zbit account, Zbit platform, then you will be receiving the first reward, which is a free crypto token, completely free of cost to you. Now, which one you will be get? That is a question mark. Why is a question mark? Because it's a mystery. It's like a spin. You will be having like five to six options for the cryptocurrency. And when you spin it, it will spin, and it will land on one thing. And that one cryptocurrency which will land on is completely yours. You can have it. It's yours, like you can use it, you want to sell it, you want to convert it, it's completely free of cost, and it is you are the owner of that currency, and it is a reward for all those new users. Isn't it the most awesome thing that the whole world is fighting, is doing trading, is wasting a lot of their money to gain a cryptocurrency in their hand, and we are giving you and we are providing you to all our new users completely free of cost. Obviously, yes, like a coin which is above $1, the quantity we will provide will be less. Okay, but still it's a cryptocurrency. It's a free and it's a cryptocurrency. I know, I believe in Indian people. Whenever they hear free word, their ear gets like stand up like this. I know. And if in this option, the CBIT option, you are getting a free, again, like I said, free cryptocurrency. Can you understand? The most valuable, the most precious coin right now. Not your INR is precious right now. Your USD is not precious right now. Your ruble is not precious right now. Your yen, yuan, dhaka, what else? Pound. Yeah, these are not precious anymore. The currency has got a new face. A currency has got a new, like you can say, a new king kind of stuff. That is our Bitcoin. That is our cryptocurrencies. Okay, so if a Zbit is offering you that one currency which everybody is going for, that to completely for free of cost, isn't it the best deal? And who said this one thing that there is like in a one family only one person can have that free? No, I don't know who is your family, so why even care? If your family consists of like 4 to 5 to 6 to 7 people, every account you open, every account will be receiving a one surprise crypto token. So in one family, you can actually collect a bunch of cryptocurrency together. As much as account you open, as much as you start doing your trading, you can have a lots and lots of cryptocurrency rewards, a free crypto token, and that too from the zb.com. If you don't believe me, you can clearly see these things. Okay, I will show you. See, worth over $1,200 user, again it went, worth over $1,200, get your first crypto asset at zb.com. This will be the same exactly the lucky spin which you can see. Can you see the lucky spin? This will be the same exact lucky spin you should be receiving. And like I said, there will be like 5 to 7 to 8 different cryptocurrencies in which you might receive one. But still, a cryptocurrency is a cryptocurrency. It's better than one you are having in your wallet. It's better than one you are having in your bank account. It's better than one which a government is printing. So, if you are getting an option to have a free cryptocurrency, then what are you waiting for? Then what are you waiting for? Just go tap on this, like you can clearly go on the Zbit, like you can go on the Android and App Store, or you can download from App Store and Android both. Okay, so just go and download the app, register yourself, and then come to this platform and enjoy the first free cryptocurrency token which is provided by the Zbit.com as a reward for all those new users. Ah, now, let's talk about the second reward. What is the second reward which we are offering to all of you people? See, welcome user 568391. Welcome to the live stream of zb.com. Thank you so much for joining this live stream. And you left. Sometimes I feel I should not even say welcome. Again. Okay. 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 So I was talking about the next reward which Zbit is offering to all of you people. Now, the second reward is actually like a free hit. You have seen cricket, right? In cricket, the one of the best ball a bowler can make, no, sorry, a best ball a batsman can hit is actually a free hit, because in that he doesn't have any issues in getting a catch, other than any issues in getting a bold, any issues in getting LPW, any issues getting anything. Other than run out, everything is fine. And you get an option to hit that ball as much as strong you can. You can throw it out of the stadium, and that's the one which we always get excited for. All the audience, like, yes, that is a free hit, and now a six or a four can come. So Zbit is offering you something very similar like a free hit. Now, what is that free hit? Rather than, it's not a cricket, obviously, so we cannot give you free hit, but we are giving you a free trade. Yes, you heard it right. But what do you mean by free trade? Free trade is actually um, like like a free trade. Yes. So free trade talks like goes like, you enter in the platform, you don't have to do anything. We will give you the money, you will take the trade, and you will earn the profit. You can take all the profit. If you face any losses, we will take all the loss. Simple. Simple. Exactly simple. Exactly like a free hit. Like if a bowler balls, if it hits a stump, that's a loss of the batsman, but who will take care of it? The bowler will take it. But the batsman, if the batsman hits six or a four, who will gain the profit? The batsman gets the profit, the score in his like team score, right? Exactly same like that. If you get the first ever, you can clearly see the limited free, limited time free. Okay, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Again, it will come. Yeah, it will come. Try future trading, limited time free, new user only. So welcome new user 739335. Welcome to the live stream. Thank you so much for joining. Welcome user 835811. Hi, my name is Yash. If you are having any difficulty in understanding, so as I was talking about the future trading. Okay, so first future trade is completely free of, completely free of cost. First, not second, not third, first. We will provide you an investment. Investment, whatever you ask, no, please. We will provide you investment, obviously, which is like like what you can say, which is like reasonable. Okay, we won't give you $100, $200,000. Obviously not that. Welcome user DK2084 on the live stream of the zbit.com. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. My name is Yash. Can I also know your name? Like, see, I've told everybody, like, whenever they come on this live stream, please do say hi, hello, my name is this, my name is that, and you went. Okay, cool. So the new user reward of the future trade is like, first, trade is free. We provide you the investment of 10 USDT. 10 USDT you have to use in one go. If you don't use it in a one go, then it won't even like be it won't matter actually, like it won't be there anything like for example, if you have 10, you used 5 in a one go, that rest 5 is going, it won't be there for the next time, it will be vanished, it will be gone from your account and blah 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 thing. So it is the best thing that you use that whole investment at one go. But again, it is an optional, like you want to use whole, you use whole. If you don't want to use whole, you don't use whole. It's an option. It's like if you want, do it. If you don't want, you don't do it. Simple. Okay. Now, other thing. Once you have the 10 investment, 10 USD investment, that is actually a bonus amount. Okay. It is not a real money. It is somewhere lying between existence and non-existence, somewhere in between. Okay, it's not even real, it's not even a fake, it's somewhere in the between. You cannot withdraw it, but you can use it to take a trade. Okay, so now once you take a trade, now you have all the options. Okay, you know how future trade works. You can take leverage, you can take the margin modes, you can pick your own margin modes, you can pick your own leverage, whatever you feel like. You feel like that you want to have like 10x leverage, 20x leverage. You don't want to enter for just 10 years, you want to enter for higher trade, a bigger trade, maybe $100 trade, maybe 10,000 trade, maybe whatever xyz amount of trade you want to enter for. Okay, now in that scenario, if you take a leverage, still fine, because it's the first trade. I suggest you take a leverage, because the loss will be bear by who? The loss will be bear by us. So go crazy, basically just go crazy, because the loss will be bear by us. Like it's like one of those things, like when your friends say that that's my trade, I will pay, then the time the people with the friends go crazy, they order everything on the menu. That's the exactly thing what you need to do at right of point, because I said to you, we will bear the loss. So go crazy on that first trade, whatever you want to do, because that is actually an experience of how to use a cbit. The main motive of giving you a free trade is not for like providing you a free that you don't have money. Obviously you have money. A person who opens a cryptocurrency account, trading account, has a money to deposit to take a trade, and that's what it came for. But why we are giving you a free hit, a free trade? Why? Because we want you to gain experience. Because I get it, the first time, like if you have never entered in the crypto market, if you have never know what a crypto market looks like, how the crypto market handles, how the crypto market moves, so this one trade, the first trade, is actually an experience for all of you people, that how a crypto market moves, how the volatility has its own impact in the crypto market. Every of those things you will get a first experience in zbit for the free trade. Plus profit is yours. Plus the profit is yours, like I said to you, plus the profit is completely yours. Okay, now there are some doubts, common occurring doubts, which I will solve right now. Okay, the common occurring doubts is, can I withdraw that 10 USDT? No, you won't, you cannot, and you should not as well. Like it won't happen. That is a bonus amount. You cannot withdraw a bonus amount. Even after, like for example, I used that 10 USDT for a trade. Now my trade is open over here. I am gaining XYZ amount of welcome users 986364, welcome users 697292, and you left. See, that's how fast you do. Okay, so for these things, like I was speaking about, 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 I was speaking about. Yes, the first free trade of the cryptocurrency of the zbit future, only in future. Oh, yeah, I also understand it's only for future, no spot, only for future. One first future free trade. Once I put the 10 USDT into the market and my trade is going on over here, it's open. I'm gaining profit on it. I'm getting $2, $5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, $10 profit. Okay, now what is going to happen is, if I close my trade, like, okay, I'm satisfied with the $10. If I close my trade, my available balance will be 10 USDT. It won't be because you might be thinking that I had 10 which I invested, and now this 10 is my profit. So 10 plus 10 becomes 20, but it will be just 10 over there. Why? Because again, like I said to you, that 10 USDT is a bonus money. It is somewhere in between existence and non-existence. It's not real, it's not fake, it's not yours. Basic. So once you exit the trade with whatsoever profit in it, $1, 2, 5, 10, 20, 30, 40, or maybe million, whatever it is. From that amount, 10, the investment 10 will be gone, because that is not your investment. That is my investment. That is our investment. Got it? Very simple, very easy. Okay, after that thing, once you have that profit, uh, let's consider $10 profit. Consider, let's just consider $10 profit. Welcome user 901751. Hi, welcome to the live stream of a Zebra platform. Thank you so much for joining this live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. And you left. The time I call you people, you go, why? Like what's wrong? What's wrong in calling? Welcome user 880125. Thank you so much for joining this live stream. Thank you so much for being a part on this live stream. Thank you so much. My name is Yash, and we will be starting our live stream. And you left. Okay. So yeah, the common questions. So those $10 will be gone from the account. That investment amount will not be there. It will not be there. It will. It is just for me taking a trade. Once you take a trade, gone. Understood? And now, whatever profit you have, like let's consider like you have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, $10 profit you had. Now that $10 you can withdraw. You can withdraw that profit, or you can use that profit for the next trade as well. It depends on you. You want to withdraw, you withdraw. You want to use it for the trade, you use for trade. It depends on you. You are the owner. It's your profit, and you have the whole authority to do whatsoever you want to do with that. Welcome user 761281 on the live stream of zbit.com. Thank you so much for joining. My name is Yash Pawar, and I am a host over here. So can I also know your name so that I can know if you are having any facing any difficulties of the Zbit, if you are having anything related, like for example, if you are having facing any doubts from the Zbit, that this is not working, this is not good, any reviews or any trade which went wrong, and plus, do tell me if my language is an issue, if English language is an issue, because see, I welcome user 880125 on the live stream of zibit.com. If see, I can get it that you are from India. A lot of Indian users are there. Again, user 44474, welcome to the live stream of zibit.com. If you're having any issues in language and you want me to speak in Hindi, do tell me that you want to speak in Hindi. I want, like, you want me to speak in Hindi. Hello, hi. Finally, a reply. Nice. What's your name? Uh, User 880125. How is your trading life going on? Are you facing any like issues in the trading which I can help you, which I can help you with? Okay. Even if it's like you want to learn trading, I can teach you that as well. Okay. So anything, anything. Let's start with your name. Let's not rush it. Let's start with your name. Hi. I have a question. Yes, please do ask me. And that's what I'm here for. Finally, I was waiting for you only. Name is Vinith. Hello, Vinith. Welcome to the live stream. Thank you so much for sharing your name as well. Thank you so much. My name is Yash. Yes, Vinith. What is your question? What is your doubt, or what is anything? Please do share. I will try my 200% to give you the response which you are hoping for. Yes, Vinith. Come on, let's play the KBC. Throw me that 7 crore answer. 7 crore question, actually. and I don't need any lifeline. I'm enough. Throw me that question of 7 crore, Vinith. Let's play KBC. I'm waiting for your question, Vinith. And welcome user 628138. Thank you so much for joining in. Hello, my name is Yash. Can I also have your name? What's your name? If you have any doubt, anything related to the Zbit, you're facing any issues in the trading, anything, please do share so that I can help you with. This live stream is regarding that itself. Okay, so do not forget that this live stream is not like one person speaking blah 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 blah. Blah. No, this is not for that. If it's for that, then I will keep my script like it will start from the blah, and then it will in the middle it will be blah, and it will end on the blah. Okay, if it's just that you are just here to see me. Hi, hello user 628138. Hi, what's your name? Do you have any name? Obviously you have a name. May I know your name? My name is Yash, and I'm a live stream host over here. And Vinith, I'm still waiting for your question. Okay, I'm still waiting for your question. Welcome new users 406973 and use. Yes, Vinith, please share your question. You have said I have a question. Name Vinith. I'm waiting for your question. Please share me your question. एक्चुअली मैं काफ़ी टाइम से फॉरेक्स मार्केट में वर्क कर रहा हूँ बट टाइम टू टाइम ट्रेड इन फॉरेक्स मार्केट सो आई वांट टू परचेज फंडेड अकाउंट सो इज दिस अ गुड फॉर मी but the time to trade forex I want to purchase funded account is it good? See, funded accounts are actually good. I won't deny this fact that yes, funded accounts are very good, Vinith. But at the same point, it's a risk as well because you are using somebody else's money. It's not your own money. If you use your own money, even if you face any losses, then it's fine that you can, it's your money, it's you lost it. But if you lose somebody else's money, that might be a little thing like the one who will provide you the money. He will have obviously have some limits like my minimal balance should be this or that or xyz. But uh, I really think this one thing that actually funded accounts are very better. Why? Because in the starting of the trading, anything you trade on forex, you trade on cryptocurrency. In the starting, everybody starts with a very small amount like 10 USDT, 20 USDT, 50 or max 100 USDT. That is a very small amount to start trading with, to be very frank and to be very fair. Okay, I'm giving you very honest opinion. 10, 20, 30 USDT to start trading is like you are giving 1 rupee and taking 1 rupee back. It's there is no profit which you can see in the wallet and which you can grow your capital with. If you genuinely want to grow a capital, the funded account thing is actually a very good thing. Like you will be having a very good amount to trade with. Rather than trading in 10, 20, 30 USDT, you can actually start with 1000 USDT or maybe 2000. Like funded account starts from I guess 1000, 2000 and 5000, 10,000, 20,000. Actually I have also like tried to get one funded account as well, and it's actually good because you have a very good amount to invest. If you invest a good amount, you get a very good return from it. If you invest a small amount, you will get a small profit which is like negligible. Okay, so if you are investing, if you're having a funded account, that is actually very good because you will be investing a good amount so that you can get a good return. For example, I will say, if you and me are taking a trade, I am taking a trade, whether I was getting too much losses, that's the reason I'm not working with my personal account. Good. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's again good. Because, like, see, if you are getting a losses in your personal fund, then the funded account is not an issue. The issue is in like finding a best entry for you, I feel. If that is the reason that you are facing too much losses, and that's the reason that you are not working in the personal fund, then fund is not an issue. The issue is this, that you're not finding a perfect entry in the market, and you are going there. Whenever you enter the market is going against you. Like, you go for buy, market goes for sell. You go for sell, market goes for buy. That kind of situation is happening for you. Okay, so there are two scenario over here. One thing, I really support funded account actually, because, for example, if you take a trade of 1000 and I take a trade of 10 USDT. Okay, now I will be having a profit what, 0.5, max 1, max 2, maybe 3, maybe 5. That's all. But 1000 USDT person on the same trade, the same mark, same 1:2 reward ratio, you enter in the same position, I enter same position, your take profit same, my take profit same. Yeah. So in that moment, what is happening? What your 1000 can make actually maybe 50, maybe 60, or maybe 100. Your 1000 USDT trade. My 10 USDT trade can make only what, 0.5, maybe 1, maybe 2, maybe 3. That's all. So funded account is good because investment amount should be good. The more good quantity you buy, the more good profit you get. The less quantity you buy, the less profit you will be receiving. So funded account, go for it. And other thing that you are thinking that you are facing too much losses in, like, you with your working with your funded account, and obviously when we lose our personal money, we don't feel to deposit more, because we are having that psychology that I am losing, I'm not gaining, and those money feels like it's just going, so for that thing, I will show you one thing. If you are not understanding how to invest, if you're not understanding how to trade, if you're not understanding how to find a perfect entry and every of those things, there is yeah, I can teach you that thing, like how to find a perfect entry, how to find a supply zone, demand zones, fair value gaps, and any of those things of the market. And it is very easy, it is very simple to do it. Okay, but for that you have to be on this live stream like for a little long time, because that is not a very small concept. And if you want to learn it, accept, like, I come here for 4 hours, I am here for by 12 to 4. Okay, after that, if you still want to learn it, I will give you one thing, and it's for all the users. Okay, I can see a lot of users over here. User 508573, welcome to the live stream. And user 6656, god. Okay, so I will tell you one platform. It's actually our platform itself. It was Zbit. Cheesy Bit was the first, and then came the Zbit. So it's considered, it's a parental company. And you come on this platform, you can see this is the logo of Cheesy Bit. This is the YouTube channel of the Cheesy Bit, CHEEZEBIT. And in this, if you go on the live section, every day you have to come here. Yeah, I will come here every day. No, actually not every day. I have holidays on Wednesday and Thursday. So 2 days I won't be here. I will be here on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. 5 days working, 2 days holiday is my schedule. Okay. But for that thing, even if I'm not here, me will be teaching you. Okay. How? See, this cheesy bit, this cheesy bit is actually our platform. You can see clearly, see, this is me again. That's me. You can see me on my screen. So if you go on the live section and you scroll down from the most starting, it's happening. Yeah, it happened. Okay, so you can see this is my first video of this cheesy bit, and actually I created a whole playlist, which you can, not even playlist, but actually made a whole course from the most beginning to the most expert level. Like from understanding candles, you can clearly see, like right now I'm explaining you just
Access over
the most
4,000 instruments and utilize advanced charting tools.
just a second.
Monitor up to 4 charts simultaneously.
Yeah, you can clearly see I started my journey with just explaining you the candles, the basic to basic of the candle.
Hello, ladies and
And
gentlemen.
I also taught you how to trade in it, what kind of bullish candles are
Different
there.
colors.
See, there are different types
Colors
of candles.
have no
So you can
importance
watch
in
this
hammer.
complete series.
In
You
a
can start
specific,
from
and
this
there are
one first.
different types
This
of
is the
candle
first
also,
thing, candlestick
where
trading
people,
101.
candles can
Learn
have
to
a
read
color
and trade
importance,
like a pro.
or the
This is
other
the
candles
first.
where candles don't have.
And from here you can, yeah, where it went. Once again, I have to scroll down. Yeah. So from this, you can start the whole crypto journey of understanding how to find the perfect entry. Because in here, I've started from the basic, how to read a chart, how to understand what this chart means, how to spot these demand zones, supply zones, finding entry. If you find the entry, then how to trade in it, what should be your SL, what should be your take profit, what should be everything I've explained in those videos. So you can watch this out, like what, like all those things, like everything I've talked about, like chart patterns, candlestick patterns, concepts like SMC, smart money concept. And there are some 2 to 3 strategy as well. I told you ORB, opening range breakout strategy. A lot of things I have talked about in this live stream. So please go and check out this. Brother, can you tell me how much time it will take to complete your course in YouTube? See, it depends on you. Like, how much time are you giving it to it? Hello, user 511960. Hello, welcome. My name is Yash. May please do tell me your name as well. Yeah, and Vinith, it depends on you. See, like, how much time do you give on this live on the live stream? That depends on that. To be very frank, even if you give an average of, like, let's say, 1 to 2 hour a day, it might take 1 week or 2 week max to understand the complete thing. Because this live stream is like for 2 hours. You can see this live stream is for 2 hours. But in this, in the starting period, there is some other thing. In this, some other thing, I'm explaining everything, even the indicators, which are the best
That trend
indicators to
reversal
every
is
of those
gonna
things I'm
happen.
explaining.
Now
Okay.
from
So
the
it might
downtrend,
take, if you
it will
watch it
change
in
to an
2 weeks,
uptrend.
1 to 2 week max.
Understood?
1 to 2
Very
week max to
simple.
complete the
This is when the
One
price
to
is
2 weeks
moving from
max.
bottom to top, that will showcase your uptrend reversal. Okay. And similar,
you can see this is the platform. Okay, just search on this YouTube, which is cheesy bit, CHEEZEEBIT, and you learn from it, and you keep on having some like you keep on writing some doubts of yours, like you have XYZ doubts, like I didn't understand this, I didn't understand this. And then whenever you come on this live stream, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, 5 days I'm here for 12 to 4, that is Dubai timing. Indian timing will be 1:30 to 5:30. Okay, so if you have any doubt, you can come, you can ask me the doubts, I can clear your doubts as well. Okay, the best thing which we can do right now. Vinith, is it okay? Can you give me thumbs up if you feel satisfied? Like, you learn from here, whatever XYZ doubts you have, come on this live stream, ask me those doubts, and I will clear your doubts with live. Like, I will clear it live only by explaining you in the market every of those structures. Okay, got it, Vinith? And that is totally fine. Like, see, in the starting, everybody loses money. Vinith, everybody loses money in the starting, and that is completely fine. It's not like it's only you who is losing all the money and everything. No, a lot of people loses money, because that's how experience comes. You start something, you fall for 2 to 3 times, and that's how you. Can you tell me something about Zbit? Yes, why not? So Zbit is a crypto exchange platform. We are a platform which is providing you a service to trade into the cryptocurrencies, and we provide two services. One is to trade in a future, and second one is to trade in a spot. You can trade one in future and one in spot. This is our things. A part of this, Zibit also offers some rewards, deposit and withdrawal. You want to know how to do deposit and how to do withdrawal? Okay, you finish your typing, I will give you answer. If you want, you finish your typing first. Vinny, do you want to know how to deposit and how to do withdrawal? Is that your question? That you want to know how to do deposit and how to do withdrawal in Zbit? Yes, no, yes, no. You want to know regarding deposit and withdrawals in Zbit? Do complete your question so I can answer accordingly. Or do you want to know the Zbits reward as well? All the new users reward. There are so many. Yes, I want to know how to work in deposit and withdrawal. Okay, got it. Just give me one moment. I have to log in into my account over here to show you how it works. So let me just log in 1 second. I will log in fast and I will show you, because without login I cannot show you. So just let me log in. Give me just one moment, okay? Just give me one minute. Welcome, Johnson, on the live stream of zbit.com. Hi, my name is Yash. Just give me one moment. Okay. Login successful. Now I will show you, Vinith. And one more thing, is there any is there thing that there is how to get free rewards on Zbit? Yes, there is. Vinith, you are in the luck because I'll be telling you everything. Why it is not coming? Oi. Okay. First, first thing first, let's hi new user. Hello, 953414. Hello, welcome to the live stream. So, Vinith, how to do deposit and how to do withdrawal in the Zbit? Let's first talk about that. Okay. So, first, we have two platforms. One is future and second one is spot. Right. So, if you want to do spot trading, come to this platform and you can see over here at the side you will see deposit option. Click on that deposit option, then you will go to the crypto deposit. Click on that crypto deposit and then you select your currency, XYZ currency you want to deposit, USDT, BTC. There are so many other options. Okay, after doing that, let's for example, let me just do the USDT. One second. Yeah, I did USDT. Now select your blockchain, which blockchain you want to use. It won't matter, it's like the same thing only. Everybody has the same timing or something like that. Okay, so click whatever, or best is click the optimism because it will find the best blockchain for you. Click on that and then scan the address, do your XYZ payment, wait for 5 to 10 to 15 minutes, and that amount will be deposited into your account. This is for the deposit. Okay, and now, for example, you want to do the deposit in the future trading from spot to the future. You can do deposit in this spot, and then you can transfer it to the future. Like for example, can you see this transfer? Click on the transfer. Spot from spot to the future account. My spot has 12. This is USDT. I will show you live how to do it. Okay. And I am gonna do, let's give 10 US. No, let's give 7 USDT. I am transferring from my spot to the future. Okay. I selected on confirm. It says success, and I will refresh it one. Yeah, can you see now my future one, before it was 0, now it has 7.7, and my spot which has 12, now it will be having 5. Can you see it? It's very easy to transfer from spot to the future, instant transfer you get. Okay. Now, what about the withdrawal? Okay. First, let me tell you regarding the future. In the future trade, you cannot direct withdraw it. How to withdraw then? If you have some balance in the future, first thing you have to do is transfer. Transfer it from where? From future to spot. Again, I will do it. See, it's 7. I'll transfer 7. 7. Okay. I clicked on confirm and I will do a refresh. You can see now my available balance over is what? 0.7. My 7 went. Now 7 went to where? To spot. Okay. I will come to the spot. I will click. Can you see? 5 became 12. Now for the withdrawal, can you see this option over here? Withdrawal. Click on this withdrawal. Click on the crypto withdrawal. And then again the same procedure. Select your currency, whatever currency you want to withdraw. USDT. Select your address. Just always select on the optimism because it will find the best one for you. Okay. After that, click on your wallet address. Copy paste your wallet address over here and amount. See, every USDT or any other currency which you want to withdraw will have some minimal amount, like minimum amount to withdraw. USDT has 4. You can withdraw 4 as a minimum amount. Less than 4, like for example, if you want to withdraw 3, you cannot withdraw. Only 4, 5, or so on and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 you can withdraw. But less than 4, it won't. You have to withdraw more than 4. Got it? Okay. So same withdrawal amount you put and just click on confirm and that will happen. Got it? This is how to do a deposit and how to do a withdrawal on the Zbit. Very simple, very easy. It might take 10 to 20 minutes to come for withdrawal or for the deposit. Okay, because of the blockchain we have to do verification, then we have to see if it's a genuine, like we will see all the details of the transaction if it's matching the same. So that verification might take 10 to 20 minutes. After that, the deposit will come to your account. Okay, now this was for the deposit. Now you asked me for if there is any rewards, free rewards. Yes, there is a free rewards. If you come over here and I will log out right now. Okay, after log out, can you see there are 3 rewards which you can have from the zbit.com. 3 best reward which you can have. First is, once you create an account, like for example, if I do a sign up over here, see, you can see sign up, click on the sign up, it will be like create account. If you have, like, you are already in the app, so you have already created an account, right? But your family members, your colleagues, your friends have not opened an account yet. So what they will do, free, completely free of cost, you will open the account and it won't take any much time. Like just country code, email address, password, and boom, your account is opened. The first reward which you'll be getting is the first free cryptocurrency token. Can you see, worth over $1,200? See, most luckiest people might get Bitcoin, Ethereum as a free coin. Okay, most of the people get meme coin. Very minimal luckiest people will get the Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Solana. But because you know the value of the Bitcoin, the value of Ethereum is very high. We cannot provide Bitcoin, Ethereum to everybody, right? So it will be there for very minimal to minimal, like luckiest person to have the mysterious thing. Actually, I have more question. If I deposit through bank transfer, then I can transfer this amount to other exchange instant. Yeah, then you have to do fiat transfer. If you want to do that, then you have to do the fiat transfer. You cannot uh, instant, like it won't be like instant. It might take some the same 10, 15, 20 minutes, but it will happen. Then you have to do the fiat transfer for doing it from some other exchange to other exchange to other exchange. Okay. So first, I hope I've cleared your question. You can do the deposit to bank transfer as well. You can just you can even do by this simply QR code scan. Like you can just scan the QR code, enter amount, and you can do it. That is also possible. But I'm just saying that the other exchange might take a little time because again the verification is important. So welcome users 353445. Welcome user 3435157. Welcome to the live stream of zibit.com. Thank you so much for joining in. I am explaining Vinith the rewards of the Zibit. Okay, so first is the lucky spin, which you will be getting a reward. And lucky spin has like see, it's a lucky spin. That's why the name is called as lucky spin. But try, don't lose hope. Try as much as you want. You might end up getting Bitcoin. You might end up getting Ethereum. You have families. Every phone number can open one account. You can open your mom's account, father's account, blah 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 blah. You can see if you get up, you have like you get Bitcoin, Ethereum, or something like this. Okay. After this is the first one. Second reward is that you get a first free trade in future market of Zbit. Okay. So what do you mean by free trade? It's free because we will provide you an investment. We will give you 10 USDT investment to take a first free trade in the future market. You will enter in the market with our money, 10 USDT. If you want to take leverage, take leverage. You can pick your own margin, you can pick your own coin, you can pick your own time, whatever it is. Timing doesn't matter, coin doesn't matter, leverage doesn't matter. It is up to you what you want to do. Okay, you take the 10 USDT bonus from us. We will provide you the 10 USDT bonus in your account. Okay, that bonus cannot be withdrawn. It is like it's a bonus money. It's not actually the real money. It's like it's not fake. No, KYC is already done, but I am just confirm that if I deposit, if I will deposit, so no issue will be facing in a crypto withdrawal. No, obviously, why you will face a crypto withdrawal if your KYC is done, everything is okay, then there is no chance of you facing any issues in deposit or any issues in the withdrawal. Okay, there won't be any chances if your KYC is done. So there is no issues. Why there will be any issues in deposit and withdrawal? If your KYC has some issues, then there might be some time delay in your deposit and withdrawal. Or like people may ask, like our team might ask you, what's wrong with your deposit? Like what's wrong with your KYC and everything. But if your KYC is verified already, then there is no issues in taking trade. There is no issues in deposit, and there is no issues in withdrawal as well. It's very simple. Okay. Any other doubt you might have in Vinith? Any other doubt? Or shall I continue with my the reward, the first free trade reward which you are getting from our side? If you are having, I can continue. Shall I continue? Shall I not continue? Or do you have any more doubt? Anything? User 353445, welcome to the live stream. My name is Yash. Hi. Do tell me your name. Do tell me if you are facing any issues, anything, any doubt, or like any trade issues. Like yesterday, I lost so much money. How do I recover it? I can help you with that. Or anything. Learning trading, not learning trading, doing fun, not doing fun, having anything. I can help you with anything related to the crypto, mostly related to crypto. Okay. And for all the users, I have one very great news actually. Like if you are interested, but I'll let me just finish the first thing which I was doing and I will jump to it later. So Vinith, shall I continue with my the second reward which I was explaining, the which is this, the first free trade which you get is free. Shall I continue, Vinith, or do you have any more questions? Because let's solve your questions, solve your doubts, and then we will continue to the things. Because some platform I was deposited, so it was showed that you have to wait 13 days that you have to withdraw. No, we some platform, like from where are you doing a deposit? From your wallet itself, right? From your wallet it is depositing into Zbit. It will not take 13 to 14 days. It will take 15 to 20 minutes, that's all, if you're depositing directly from your wallet to here. And if you're doing the fiat thing from other exchange to here, it might take 1 to 2 hours, that is max. There is no such things as 13 days. Madrex exchange. Just 1 second, I'll confirm these things. If I'm facing this type of issue, so what do I do? Are you facing those issues? And I'm asking this thing, this 13 days thing which you have mentioned, the 13 days things, let me just confirm it, because I really don't think so that there is anything like 13 days thing you have to wait for withdrawal or something like that. I don't really think so. Let me just confirm it. I have deposit, so it showed that you have, because some platforms I was deposited, it showed you have to wait 13 days withdrawal. Okay, so in Zbit future it was showing that you cannot withdraw, and it is taking you 13 days to withdraw. In Zbit are you talking about? Are you asking that Zbit will take 13 days or not, Vinith? Question mark. डिपॉजिट अमाउंट से ट्रेड करने के बाद ही अमाउंट विड्रॉल होगा, इस टाइप की कोई पॉलिसी तो नहीं है? Yes, obviously. Then it will be like money laundering thing. Like if you take a deposit from one platform to another platform and you just doing a withdrawal without even taking a trade, then that's money laundering, brother. So yes, obviously there is this policy that you have to withdraw. I'm just like, you asked me that there is withdrawal will take 13 days or not. That's what I'm confirming, if it will take 13 days or not. But that is, yes, we have that policy that obviously if you deposit from other account, other exchange account to this account, and without even taking a trade you are withdrawing, then it might get freeze, or it might like, yeah, that amount might get freeze. So yeah, that is wrong. You have to do the deposit, and you have to take a trade on that deposit amount. If you don't take a trade, then account might get freeze if you directly do the withdrawal. That will be called as money laundering. I'm just confirming that 13 days things which you asked me, that it take 13 days or not, and what, and blah and blah 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 blah. So let me just confirm that thing. I'll be, I'll ask you, I'll ask. So what is the good way? Take a trade. Take a trade, brother. Take a trade. That is a good way. You are depositing in this platform for what? For taking a trade? Or if you are, see, it's not just we, but every platform has that policies, that anti money laundering policies. Okay, so if you keep on doing that thing, your account will get freeze, your money won't be with you. So the thing is, don't do like this, like take some from other exchange, deposit over here, and then do the withdrawal without even providing anything to the services. We Zibit provides you a platform to take a trade in the cryptocurrency. We are not just like you transfer the money to us and then we'll give it clean check to you. It won't happen like that. Okay, you have to take a trade with those amount, not full amount, but at least some amount you have to take. At least take 2 to 3 to 4 trades before doing the withdrawal. If you do direct withdrawal, then it will be called as money laundering. So don't do that thing, to be very fair. Okay, just how much trade will be taken for withdrawal? 2 to 3, at least 2 to 3 trades should be taken. Like take at least 2 to 3 trades. One second. If I will deposit to 25,000 rupees, so how to withdraw this? Give me example. How much rate will be taken if I deposit 25,000? See, if you are depositing, one second, let me just confirm. If, for example, give me example, if I will deposit 25,000 rupees, so how to withdraw this? Simple procedure. If you deposit it, take a trades, take 2 to 3 trades, and then do the withdraw. If you're doing a fiat withdraw, and that fiat withdraw you are doing more than 100, like 100 USDT you want to withdraw from it, then you have to wait for like delay. It can delay for 24 hours. You will check your, the verification will might take some time, the ID and every of those things. So if you are depositing less than 20, less than 100 USDT, then it might done in like that, which I said, like 15 to 20 to 30 minutes. Okay. Same way, brother. If I will deposit 25,000, so how will I withdraw it? Same way, the way you I showed you to withdraw it. But after taking some trades to show them that yes, you are not here for money laundering, you are here to take a trade. So do 2 to 3 trades so that they will feel like yes, he came here, the deposit came for trade, he took a trade. How much money trade will be mandatory? See, trade man, there is no such things like trade mandatory money. Okay, you can take a trade of $5 as well, you can take a trade of $10 as well, 10 USD as well. That trade doesn't matter. The history of you that you have taken a trade, that matters. Money doesn't matter, like how much money you have to have, or how much, like if you have, for example, if you have, let's say from the other fiat you take 50 USDT, doesn't matter, it doesn't matter that whole 50 USDT should be in the trade. No, from that you use 5, 10, 20, 30, whatsoever which you feel, because it's not about the money, it's not about how much money is invested in the market, it's about that yes, he has taken a trade, he has taken a 2 to 3 trade, that it will be counted as okay, he didn't came here just for swapping the money from one to place to another. He came here for swap and then he take a trade, he got his profit, he's taking out his profit. Understood? Withdrawal will be the same, there is no different procedure for the withdrawal, it will be same. Just have, like, when they verify it, because see, whenever you make anything deposit or you make a withdrawal, the people, my team, the customer service team, they will look into every aspect, your transaction details, from where it did, is it like from the, is it came from the same account where the KYC is, every of those things they will verify. Even if the name of the transaction and the KYC is different, they won't process the your transaction forward. Okay, if I'm taking 3 to 4 trades, so I will be withdrawn my amount, so is it is not my money, right? Don't ask such obvious question, will it? No, but yes, it won't be considered as money laundering if you take 3 to 4 trades. If you provide some services to the exhibit, yes, it won't. Scammers. Shadab. Shadab. Okay. But you, why Vinith, you are giving so much proof? Why Vinith, you are giving so much this thing that you are interested in doing a scam and you are interested in doing such things? Why you are making it so obvious? I'm saying the scammer thing is not to be so obvious. Why you are being so obvious? Now I have your user ID as well. Yeah, same I said. If you deposit from other platform, he can have 2 to 3 days also and can withdraw. That's what I said. Like you can do, if you're transferring from other platform, you have to take 2 to 3 trades. Brother, not a scammer, just confirm that out. Okay. 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 It's fine. But yeah, that's the thing I said to you. Like you have to take 2 to 3 trades in a platform if you deposit. Like for example, you said what? Mudrex exchange. What exchange? What is Mudrex? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Yeah. Mudrex. Mudrex exchange. So if you transfer from Mudrex exchange to here, it is possible. After coming to that deposit, don't directly go for the withdrawal. Wait for some time. Take at least 2 to 3 trades in our platform. Gain profit. If you gain profit, that is much more benefit for you. Gain profit and then do the withdrawal. It is okay. And if you're doing a fiat transfer or fiat deposit or fiat withdrawal, which is above 100 USDT, it will take 24 hours, which is basically 1 day to process, to do all the verification and everything. And if you're doing the amount which is below 100 USDT, it might be done in 1 to 2 hours. Got it? Brother, is there any giveaway on the Zbit? Yes, there is a giveaway on the Zbit, which is a 10 USDT bonus free trade you will be getting. Plus, you will be receiving a first ever cryptocurrency completely free of cost. That is, see, it is a crypto token, okay, which we give. It might be stable coin, it might be altcoin, or it might be meme coin. We give you 5 to 7 coin will be that in the spin. Once you click on that spin, the spin will spin, and it will stop on one coin. Most generally, it stops on the meme coin. but very few luckiest persons has already got Bitcoin and Ethereum as actually both done. Yeah, then other than this there is no other reward. If you have already used the first free trade and you have already done the spin, then these are the two giveaways which Zbit is offering to new user. And if you've already done that, is totally fine. Why don't you open your family's account? Why don't you open your other account? Why don't you open your friend's account? Maybe there will be a chance, there will you will be that one lucky person, maybe end up getting Bitcoin in some other different account. So why, if your number didn't was not lucky, doesn't mean that your mom's number will not be lucky. Try with your mom's account, try with your father's account, try with sister's account, try with your brother's account, try with friends, colleagues, everybody accounts. Might be getting it. Luba, nice, nice. Thank you. Yes. If you want to know this in the more detail, user Luba, welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for joining this live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. If you want to know regarding the Zbit giveaways, like that first free trade of the Zbit, I can tell you about that as well. And Vinith, I hope Vinith, I hope all the doubts are cleared of yours and it's it's done, right? Welcome user, again the same Luna only or Luba only. Okay, so okay, Vinith, do you have any other doubts? I have cleared all of your doubts. Do you have any other doubts? Yeah, why not? Okay, okay. So, do you have any other doubt, Vinith? I can clear it. Any other thing is left for you, for me? Ki, ki, Kiki She's nice. Hello, Kiki She's. Welcome to the live stream of the Zebra platform. Thank you so much for joining this live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. Okay, so hi, Kiki She's. Is your name Kiki She's? Something your name is. Can you tell me your name, Kiki She's? What's your name? And spam, nice so much. Any other doubt, Vinith? Any other doubt? Any other thing which you want to know for? Any other illegal thing which you want to ask? Anything? No, that's fine for today. We will resolve daily some doubts. Got it. Daily, not daily, okay? I don't come for Wednesday, Thursday. So, like from tomorrow, I will be on holiday for 2 days. Wednesday and Thursdays are my holidays. Come back on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. I'm all yours to clear all the doubts, okay? And I have to prepare for criminal law as well. I will give you all the necessary infos for the criminal laws as well. What can go wrong? How to be saved? Criminal law 101. Everything. Just for fun. Okay, just for fun, I'm saying it. You are not a criminal. You are a good guy who just wants to transfer one money from another account to another. Completely fine. Okay. So now let's get back to the market. Now there was one news which I wanted to, brother, please share your Instagram account. Am I allowed to? I don't know. Okay, it's fine, I'll share it. My Instagram is at the rate. That's my Instagram account. You can see it in the in that image. It's at the rate, like you can just simply type adams.human. It represents Adam's human. Adam was the first father of the humankind. So I am Adam's human. That's my Instagram user ID. Adam's human. But I'm not active on Instagram. I don't post, I don't put stories or nothing. I'm a very private guy. Okay. Any other doubts? User 353445. How may I can help you if you are having anything, yeah, like any trade thing, anything you have to ask. Hi, user 353445. Hello, welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for joining and watching me for more than 26 minutes now. So, if you have anything, and hats off, and actually hats off to the user 6073666 for not speaking even for 1 minute. Even one small text has not came from the user 60736. He was the first person to join this live stream, and since that time he's still active on my live stream, okay, and has not spoken a single word. Ah, Vinith underscore 45. I've got your request. Oh, you are from Bhopal. Nice. Focus on money. Without money, you are nothing. Man's word, bro. Man's word. I got your. I got it. I got it. I got your. Okay. So, coming back to the market. Coming back to the market. And if welcome user 5430136. Welcome to the live. I can't even welcome you nowadays. Like even okay, Yash Pawar ji, Ram Ram, मिलते हैं Friday को. Ram Ram, मिलते हैं Friday को. Okay, so user 607366, please, one word. I'm dying to hear one word from you. At least one. At least one hi is enough. It will make my day actually. If you just type one. You are watching me from 1 hour 38 minutes. 1 hour 38 minutes. You are watching me blabbing so many stuffs, but you don't have anything to say. I called you so many times. It's a very hurtful thing. I feel hurt. User 607366. Say hi. Say hi right now. Yeah, you're not gonna say hi. I know you are not gonna say hi. It's fine, but I have to try. So let's get back. Let's do market analysis. What we can see today, if we can find some market entries, if we can find entries, we can do entries. Let's just do the market analysis of the BTC. We'll find what is basically market analysis. We try to find the supply zones, demand zones, fair value gaps. If there is some chart patterns, we find those chart patterns as well. We'll find all those things, and if we find an entry, if there is an entry at right now period of a time, we will enter at that moment as well. Okay, cool. So let's start from the BTC, and before starting, I only I'm doing a market analysis of right now perpetual future contract. Okay, this is not for spot. If you want for spot, ask me on the comment section that you want to look for spot, because generally I opt to for the future, because I know us the retailers, we don't have money to invest in a spot market, because that will require a huge chunk of money to invest. Okay, so that's why I go for the preference for the futures, because that's where the people with less money goes for. Okay, so if you want spot, ask me, I will do it for that as well. If you don't, then I will opt for the normal thing, that is a future contract, and that is a perpetual means never ending. This contract doesn't have a start or end. It had a start, but it's like never ending contract. Okay, cool. So what do we see here? First thing, yesterday we had a very good chance for a good entry. What was that good entry? A good entry for a downside, that was for a sell side, because if see, market analysis is a part, how best can you read a chart. Now if you look at this chart right now, can you see anything?
Can you see like Vinith is there, a user 353445 is there, user 60736 is there. Can you see anything? Can you see one entry? Very obvious entry. A chart pattern is right over here, and which I will show you as well which chart pattern is there. But can you spot a chart pattern over here? For yesterday entry, we had one very good entry over here, a sell side entry after me leaving to live stream, then that chart pattern form actually. Okay, so can you find that chart pattern over here just by looking at, just like give a one quick look? Can you see something, some chart pattern over there, some one moment where you feel like this was the moment for me to grab a very good entry? If no, I will show you. Have you heard about a bearish pennant chart pattern? See, I will type it over here. Bearish pennant chart pattern. I will type it over here. Okay, this is the first thing. Now, can you spot, at least spot? I have already given you a name that there is a bearish pennant chart pattern. Okay, I will give you an area. This is a place where you have to find out. Can you find out a bearish pennant chart pattern in that scenario? Any one person. I will give you some USDT if you find it out. I won't give you USDT. Okay, don't be in hopes, because this is the recorded thing. You will obviously take a screen, record it, and you will tell, you say you will give. No, you didn't give. So, but I can give you tips. I can give you tricks. I can give you like a financial good, like investment plan. I have actually one very great investment plan, exactly the same like who, exactly the same like a big player. But if you want to know, come on, welcome user 460647, welcome on the live stream, welcome. Every time, see, I want to tell this one thing for obvious thing. If you are a new user, then you have to do a deposit on the live stream itself. There is two in the live stream. You can see there is two option. One is a deposit and other one is take a trade. Okay, so if you deposit on the live stream, there are a very good giveaways and discount which will come soon. So make sure this one thing, that whenever you are doing a deposit, do it via the live stream only. In that live stream, you can see two options. But if you have already enough balance in your account, then that is okay. You don't have to deposit. But if you don't have enough balance in your deposit, do a deposit on the live stream deposit option. It's the same. It's same. There is no difference in a homepage deposit, and there is no difference in the live stream deposit. They both are the same. While watching the market, while learning the market analysis, you can do the deposit as well at the same time, rather exiting the live stream, then going to the home page, then doing it, and then coming back. So it's better. It's for you. We have made it for making your life easy, for making your work easy. We have made that deposit button on the live stream app, so that you don't have to go, you don't have to exit, you don't have to miss a moment or miss a chance, because we know how quick an entry gets missed in the crypto market because of the volatility, because of the money which flows in the market. Okay, so I asked you this question, user 607366 and user 353445, which I already told you that there is a bearish pennant chart pattern over here, which gave you a very good entry. Approximately, let's see what kind of entry it gave you. It gave you 2.59% of the profit in the market yesterday. 2.59% of profit is not a small profit. It's actually a very good amount of profit to have. So spot it. Come on. There is a bearish pennant chart pattern in that area which I have marked. Spot one chart pattern. Come on, user. I wanna see. I wanna know who is this user 607366 from India. It is. I wanna know who you are. I really wanna know. I'm intrigued by knowing. It's been 1 hour 46 minutes. You can say one hi. It won't hurt. It will never hurt by typing H and by typing I. Come on. Come on. Tell me which one is a bearish pennant chart pattern over here. You are free to use Google. You are free to use ChatGPT. You are free to use anything. Okay. Just tell me where is a bearish pennant chart pattern over here. Welcome user 366550 from India. And yes, all those Indian peoples, if you're having any language issues from my side that you want to me to speak in Hindi, I can speak in Hindi. मेरे को हिंदी भी आती है, ठीक है? अगर हिंदी में समझना है अपन हिंदी में भी समझ सकते हैं. जो भी चीजें है, मैं एक सवाल पूछा है कि ये जो मैंने लाइन बनाई है, एक ड्राइंग बनाई है मैंने, उसके अंदर एक बेरिश पैटर्न चार्ट पैटर्न है और कल इस चार्ट पैटर्न ने मार्केट में ऑलमोस्ट 2.5% की एंट्री दी है. 2.5% की एंट्री, 2.5% का प्रॉफिट मार्केट में अच्छा खासा प्रॉफिट होता है. 1% भी को भी एक अच्छा प्रॉफिट मानते हैं. मैं यहाँ पे 2.5 की बात कर रहा हूं. कल एक चार्ट पैटर्न यहाँ पे फॉर्म हुआ है मेरे जाने के बाद ऑब्वियसली. तो इस चार्ट पैटर्न वो कहां है जिसने आपको कल 2.5% की एंट्री दी है. अब ये गेम में क्यों खेल रहा हूं? ये गेम से दो चीजें हो सकती है. एक, आपकी नॉलेज बढ़ेगी और ऐसे जब मूवमेंट्स आते हैं जहां पे आपको एक ऑप्शन है कि यहाँ पे 2.5% तक का अगर आपको प्रॉफिट मिल रहा है मार्केट से, तो क्यों छोड़ना चाहते हो? Welcome user 793785. Welcome to the live stream of the Zibit platform. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. I have asked, you are also from India. Are you comfortable with English or Hindi? दम सराज खेलते. ये up thumbs up हिंदी है, thumbs down English है. क्या करें? Welcome user 31331. Oh, you left. Okay. So I have asked you a question. Very simple game, very easy game. Just spot the chart pattern, that's all. And if you don't know, then tell me, I can show you the chart pattern as well if you don't know. Welcome user 793785. Welcome to the live stream of zippy.com. My name is Yash. Can you also tell me your name, whatever your name is, XYZ, a boy name, a girl name, a male name, a female name, or they them name, whatever your name is. Come on. Come on, people. Come on. Welcome user 595664. Welcome. Come on, user 793785. Can I have your name at least? There is one very good opportunity which came yesterday, and I don't want you to lose such opportunity. You had almost 2.5% of profit at that moment for sell side profit. Okay. So come on, user 793785. Can I have a hi? At least a hi. Hi, my name is Yash, or hi, my name is Rakesh, Suresh, Ramesh, whatsoever your name is. Come on, say your name. Can you spot that chart pattern? Can you spot that movement where you got almost 2.5% of profit from the market? That is not a small profit, it's a very huge profit. User 595664, welcome back on the live stream. And you're gone. The time I say your name, you leave. Is it a performance anxiety? But you don't have to have a performance anxiety because you don't have to show your face. It's just a text, and that too it's a user this name. So what? User 7937885. Hello. How are you? How was your day? Are you facing any loss? Are you facing anything? User 7937885. Welcome back again. Hi. Yeah. See, it's so easy. It's so easy to type H and hi. Hi. Hello. What's your name? Are you facing? Did you face any loss recently into the market? I can help you with gaining that as well. And I can show you one very yesterday we got a very good entry and it gave us 2.5% of profit into the market. I can show you because this is and it gave which gave bearish pennant chart pattern gave you that. Okay. Welcome user 623 626303. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for joining in live stream. Just drop an hi whenever you come on this live stream. Just drop an hi on the live stream. Hi. It won't kill you. I will feel happy because sometime. One second. It got disconnected. 1 second. Stay. This net. Why net? 1 second. I got disconnected. I got disconnected from the chat. Okay. It's not working. It's not happening. Just give me one moment. Okay. My name is Ahmad Ali. Oh, you went. The net sucked. But it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Okay. So, rest you two. I know you two won't speak. I know you two won't speak. You are here to just give me a moral support, a moral just one finger support, and that finger has some distance between it because you are not speaking. But it is fine. It's fine. I will show you what was the chart pattern which gave you yesterday 2.5% of profit into the Bitcoin market for the future sell trade. I'm not talking about the buy, I'm talking about the sell trade. Okay, first, just a minute. I have so yesterday we had this thing, a bearish pennant chart pattern. Let me read this. You couldn't find it out, but that's okay. But make sure you remember next time you have to find it out. Okay, delete this. I will draw that pattern for you. Okay, and okay. So this is the pole and this is the bearish pennant chart pattern. If you don't know how it looks something like this. That it will be look like a pole and there is a small triangle flag at the bottom. And it always gives us a downfall. That is, it's a continuous chart pattern which will be like downtrend to the downtrend. Now, if you calculate, like I said to you, it's almost gave you 2.5% of the entry yesterday. From this point, if you go on calculating, this is that candle where it ended. 2.46, which is almost like 2.5% of the market. Okay. And that is a very good amount of profit to gain from the Bitcoin market. It gains more, like it can go 5, 4, 6 as well, but 2.5 is not a small amount. Okay, 2.5% market falling is not a small. It's actually a very good amount to gain a profit. Okay, now in this scenario, this is a bearish pennant chart pattern which you must have missed, but that is totally fine. Welcome user 502864. I'm giving you a review of what happened yesterday in the market, that there was one chart pattern right in front of your eyes which you didn't see because you don't know the chart patterns, but that is all totally fine. Welcome user 872. You bet. So this is the bearish chart pattern which gave you the entry, and this is your entry point over here. See how to find out those chart pattern. First thing, I'll show you the bearish chart pattern, because in here it is looking little different. But bearish pennant pattern. This is a bearish pennant pattern. Okay. Can you see exactly like that? Something we can see over here. This is a bullish one, but this is the one which is a bearish one. Okay, this is the bearish one. Can you see exactly the downfall, the triangle formation, and from there another downfall? Okay, if you want to see in the market, this is the market, the downfall, the triangle formation, and from there another downfall. Can we see exactly the same thing which we saw in the market today? Welcome user 811749. Welcome on the live stream of one second. I have to check the YouTube comments as well, because sometimes I forget to check the YouTube comments. Okay. So can you clearly see over here? This is exactly how it is looking at a downfall, the triangle, and from there another downfall. Can we see in the market exactly the same thing? The downfall, the triangle, and another downfall. How to spot it? See, bearish parent pattern will always will have a pole with it. This is the pole. Can you see a downfall pole? It will represent a downtrend. This is a downtrend because this is a continuous chart pattern. What is the difference between continuous and reversal? Very simple. I will explain. Continuous one is downfall, pattern, downfall. This is continuing the trend. Downtrend is continuing. What do you mean by reversal? Reversal will be downfall, pattern, and then the market will reverse, which is going from downtrend, the pattern will form, and from there an uptrend will come. This is called as reversal chart pattern. This is called as continuous chart pattern. Continuous chart pattern may also look like uptrend, pattern, and then uptrend. Up to up. Understood? Very easy, very simple. Reversal may also look like up, up, chart pattern, and down, which is uptrend was there first and then came the downtrend. Got it? Very simple, very easy. This is Difference between continuous and reversal. Okay, so what chart pattern are we finding out right now over here? This is a continuous pattern, continuous bearish pennant chart pattern right over here. This is the pole. How to identify? First, spot if there is a very, either it can be little slanting or either it can be straight. The downfall can be either like straight like this or something slanting like this. Now this one is a slanting, which is okay, which is totally okay. It doesn't have any condition that it should be straight or should be slanting or something like this. No, it doesn't have any of those conditions. Okay, now delete. Okay, first we spotted the downfall. Now next thing, what do we have to spot? We have to spot if resistance is falling very quickly or not. See, there is one, this is the first point till the like this was the last attempt of the buyers to make it made a little upgrowth over here. Can you see a little upgrowth over here? This was the last attempt by the buyers, and from there we saw the downfall. This becomes what? The R1 means what? The first point from where resistance has started to happen. Okay, from that moment it fall and fall, and now this movement has become what? This movement has become the first S1. What do you mean by S1? The first point from where the market took a support. A bearish pennant pattern should have a resistance and should have a support. Now, there is one condition on it. Resistance should be gradually falling down. What do you mean by gradually falling down? R1 should always, we should be above, and R2, R3, R4, the later on the next resistance point should be below R1. The starting resistance should always be at the highest movement. We can clearly see that. Let me zoom it. Okay, we can see this is the R1 point. Then this is the second resistance, third resistance, R2, R3. It should always and always should be below R1. That means gradually falling down. This is falling down, right? A falling slope like this, that means falling down. Okay, this is that. Now, the support S1, this is S1 support, the first point where market took support. I really hope that you understood what do you mean by resistance and support. Is it okay that you know what is support and resistance? Welcome user 490732. Welcome to the live stream of zbit.com. I am just showing you what you missed yesterday. Yesterday there was a very good option for gaining 2.5% profit from the market. And this is the chart pattern. It is called as bearish pennant chart pattern. It will look like something like this. A downfall, triangle formation. Traders, कैसे हो आप सब लोग? Wow. I need this kind of things. I need this kind of people on my live stream. Not is saying hello to me and also to all those other people. Hats up. What's your name? User 49072. May I know your name as well? Traders, कैसे हो आप? How are, and you left. And you left by saying just hi to everybody and you left. Really? That's not good. Okay. So coming back to the topic. So what we were discussing over here, how to spot a chart pattern over here. I will clear. Okay. First was the pole. And then from here, can we see a resistance gradually falling down? The arrow should be facing downside. It should be having a slanting slope like this. Got it? After that, there should be support. These are the support. The S1, the first point from where the market took a support, right? And it should be gradually going above. It is falling down and it should be growing above. That means what? The first S1 should be below the S2 and S3. Can we see S2 and S3 and S4 over here? Yes. So gradually going up. Support, this is a condition of the bearish parent chart pattern. Okay, if you find some triangle formation identify this condition that the support should be gradually going up, resistance should be gradually falling down. Got it? So in this, you can clearly welcome user 667469. Welcome. I'm explaining you how you lost an entry, a very good entry yesterday of almost 2.46% of profit from the market from doing a future sell side. And that happened just by one chart pattern. And all those new users, if you are new on this platform, please do not forget to do a deposit on the live stream platform. You can see this is live stream. There is an option of deposit and take a trade. Tap on that deposit option and do a deposit and wait for me to give you entry, and then we can go and take a good amount of profit for entry. Okay, cool. Now, as I was saying to all of you people, where is it? Yeah, S1 support gradually going up means what? That S1 should be in the lowest point. S2, S3 or S4, like whatever support it makes. It doesn't see, there is no condition like it should make 2 support, 3 support, 4 support. It can make as much support as it can make. So when we see a S1, every other support should be above S1. Okay, it will confirm that it is a bearish pennant chart pattern. R1 should be above every of those resistance, and S1 should be below every of those other supports. Got it? Simple. Now, how do we enter? Obviously, we'll do a breakout entry. Let me just draw the trend lines. Clear image. This is the first. This is the second, from where this is a support line. Okay. This is the first, this is the second. Got it? Now, after this point, whenever we see there is a breakout in the market, can you see a breakout? Can you spot a breakout? Yes, this is a breakout. This is a breakout. That trend line was broken downside, but at the same point, you can see there is also one small point where it had a downfall. But was it continued? No. So is it a breakout? No. Breakout looks like this. A very huge big candle will give you a breakout. Always remember this thing. Anytime when there is a person who is coming with a very huge amount of entry, that person will give you a breakout. This is that breakout candle. We enter at this candle, and what can be our approximately target? See, for finding an approximately target is always the most difficult. At what point shall I stop? At what point shall I stop my profit? At what expectation shall I make from the market to give me that XYZ amount of profit? So what is it? You can simply come over here. Can you see this tool? It's called as measurement tool. It measures what amount of profit, what amount of percentage market fall, market rise, market fall, market rise. You can do it from this. It looks like a scale. Can you see this over here? Tap on these things, and then what we're going to do, we're going to calculate the R1 and the S1 distance. Let me first write the R1 S1 so that you won't have confusion. Okay, this is R1 and this is S1. This is R1, this is S1. Why R? Because this is the first point from where it took a resistance. How you found out a resistance? See, where is pencil? Market was down falling. From there, buyer took the last support, buyer take the last effort, and from this point, the market started falling down. This becomes what? Resistance. That market couldn't go beyond that level. Got it? Simple. That's why it's called as R1. And S1, same, market started falling out, and there is one point from where market couldn't go more below, but it took a support up. That is called as support 1. Okay, so what we're going to do is click on this measurement tool, click on that R1 point, drag it down till what point? Drag it down till S1. S1 is what? This is S1. Okay, S1 is saying what? 2.50% market can fall. This is how you can find out your target. Your target can be found out from what? The distance between R1 and S1 is an approximately target which will be given to you. The distance between R1 and S1 is what? 2.5%. Let's check if it is actually true. If it actually happens, we'll again go to the measurement. We'll tap to the breakout from the trend line only, and I will drag it down, 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 drag it. Can you see? This is the point where, yeah, this is the point where the market gave you your target and made you what? 2.5% of target success. This is that point, and you can clearly see the market went till that point. So by identifying a chart pattern, you can identify so many things. First, your breakout entry, then comes your target. You can identify how much of profit I can make from this. What is my safe target from this moment? I'm not denying that from here it can fall more down. I'm not denying that fact, but we go for a safe target. Safe is like, from, if I tap on this safe target, I won't face any losses. My greed, we should always control our greed in the market. Go for always a safe target in the market. How to find a safe target? When you spot the chart pattern, simply go on R1 and S1, find out your S1 R1 thing. Simply find out your S1 R1 thing. Calculate the distance between it. Calculate the distance between S1 R1. Distance is calculated by what? The measurement tool. This is that thing, 2.5 something, and then you calculate the same thing from here, and that will be your target. Simply. So with one chart pattern, with what chart pattern? With bearish pennant chart pattern, which you missed yesterday, you got what? You got your entry over here. This is your entry over here, and this is your target. Target of what? 2.5% of the market. 2.5% target achieved. This is what we missed yesterday. This was yesterday's trade. This is what we missed yesterday. We shouldn't have missed this yesterday. I was not there, but obviously, if you are able to do the market analysis, which is finding chart patterns, supply zones, demand zones, you will never miss such great opportunity to enter in the market. You will never ever miss such great opportunity. You will always grab this opportunity, enter in the market, tap to the target, and you can have it. Are you impressed with me? Are you still impressed with me? User 607366 and user 353445. Did you just bought your brother on this live stream? I really feel like you bought just your brother on the live stream. Like, first you came, you never spoke, and now you bought your brother, your friend, or you somebody, and he is also not speaking on this live stream. Same. He is your brother. At least communicate with your brother. At least communicate with your own friend on this live stream. At least the least you can do, the least you can do for me. I showed you such a great way, such a great thing, that what happened yesterday and what we missed out yesterday, like 2.5%, I did it. I grabbed that opportunity, I grabbed that entry, I gained my 2.5% of profit because I knew what chart pattern looks like. You didn't know the what chart pattern looks like, but now you know because I showed you what chart pattern looks like. But that's not the case for me. That's really not the case for me right now. The case for me right now is you two people on my live stream, user, again, like it has been like millionth time I'm calling your name, user 607366 and user 353445. Say something. Say something that you liked, like you liked the market analysis what I did, right? Like this is what we missed yesterday. I showed you what we missed yesterday so that you can gain that experience, and then you can use it the next time whenever you see a bearish parent chart pattern. You will be there to take the advantage. And how to trade in it, I also showed you how to trade in it. Just find the pole, then the resistance should be gradually falling down, support should be gradually going up, which means R1 should be above R2 R3 and S1 should be below S2 S3. From there, trend line breakout is your entry point, R1 and S1 distance is your target. Tap to that target and your target will be achieved. So simple, so easy to gain a profit in the market. And still, do you know what's more simple than finding a bearish chart pattern? Do you know what's more simple than just finding entry point or taking a trade? That is opening a keyboard, typing H and I, typing H and I, hi. You can type hi. You are watching me since 2 hours 17 minutes, and other one is watching me since 1 hour 7 minutes. Hi. One hi, one hello. How are you? How you're doing? What's going on? Hi, you are doing great, not doing great. Is you're having loss? I will help you recover loss. I can help you with so many things. Okay, let me do one thing. I hope I can do it. I'm doing one thing for you all people, okay? Just one thing. Just 1 minute. It's not even loading here now. What is how shall I do it? It's not happening, so I'll just write it over here then. So, people, 15-minute break. I will be right back, and I will write it in 40 or more. Can we have more than 40? More than 40. It's not possible to have more than 40. 15-minute. I'll be back. Let me just do is copy. Okay. Text. Paste. It's not pasting. Okay. Here. 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 15-minute break. 15-minute break. So people won't miss out. They know that I'm taking a 15-minute break. Now whole screen says 15-minute break. Okay. Lark is not logging. It's not my issue. Okay. I'll be back in 15 minutes. Live. Okay, welcome back. I came back. Okay. New user. No, still the same two. User 607366. Not gonna answer, not gonna reply. What shall I do now? I really feel this one very specific thing, that our market is right now trying to travel to this point, because every swing low which is like this huge always gets tapped into, for one reason, because they know one thing, that a lot of orders are placed over here, a lot of orders are placed over here at this, because you can clearly see such a huge rejection. Market came down till this point, and from there there is a good rejection of the buyers. Okay, now the buyers are having a rejection. That means, sorry, buyer made the rejection. That means a lot of people went for buy. Okay, and they closed it over here. So a lot of them have this entry of buy entry. Obviously, a stop loss must be hanging at least either at the swing low or somewhere below the swing low. So market may be right now traveling for all those people stop losses, which is over here traveling, but it will take time. It won't be like fraction of second. It might take time. Also, there is a very good fair value gap. This one is a very good fair value gap. This one is a very huge fair value gap. Let's go by the fair value gap. If fair value gap is below, then we can go for a fair value gap entry. Let's go by fair value gap entry. This one is a huge fair value gap. Okay, it's a green. One day RPG. It's small, 24 is okay. Let's make it little here. Let's come back to 4 hours. So I'm very positive that right now our market is right now traveling to the fair value gap. I'm very positive about this thing, that it is right now trying to travel to the fair value gap. It's a day fair value gap. Mhm. I don't want demand zones. It is been respected. This whole thing was a fair value gap for the, you can clearly see it is getting respected. 1, 2, then there is 3, then there is 4, 5, 6. 6, if one zone, just get this point in your head. In the trading market, if there is any zone, it can be a supply zone, it can be the resistance zone, it can be support zone, it can be demand zone, it can be the fair value gap zone. If one of these any zones is being respected more than 3 to 4 times, then that means that a market is respecting that zone and we can travel back to that moment anytime. Right now we are seeing a downfall of the market. Yes, now this downfall we can clearly see at one point that the whole market is very close. It's not even like far, it's very close to this point, like our fair value gap tip. So we can go for a very easy and quick entry at this point. Let's just jump to the 1 hour time frame over here and let's enter for the sell side. Let me find an entry point over here. See, the candle has just started. It has, how do you, yeah, see, it is trying to go up, go up, go up. I want to enter somewhere around here, maybe here, because the candle is creating that impact that it is having a very good huge upper wick. That means buyers are there in the market. That's how you read the market. Upper wick notifies us that yes, there are buyers in the market who is ready to go for a buy entry. Okay, so let's wait for the market to come down somewhere over here, and that's the point where I'm going to enter, and our target we can keep it as 102294. That's the point we can keep it for. So we are getting a good buy. We'll tap into an entry soon. We are getting a good buy. A little more push. At least that line, and then we will enter in the market. Okay. Let's enter at this line. I think that line entry we can get. A push from buy will come. We'll enter at this moment. Okay. I put for short position over here. I want to enter at this point. SL, I'm going to keep it a very small SL. I'm not going to keep a huge SL. My first target is this blue line, but my main target is this. We can keep SL somewhere over here. Okay. It's a good trade for us. It's a good sell trade. Future sell trade. Why I'm keeping my SL over here? Because this is a fair value gap. Market may come to here and tap it and fall down as well. That's why I'm keeping it as my fair value gap over here. Last tip. 103393. 103393. Once it taps in, we are gonna enter at this point. Okay. Entry. First small target. I took an entry. Okay. My sell entry is there. This is my first target over here. Okay. Which is approximately how much from my entry point? 0.5%. 0.5%. And the next one, my ultimate target is what? 1.5, 1.6% is my ultimate target. This is short target. Short, we will be getting it. Short, you don't have to worry about it. Market is traveling to the this zone, fair value gap of this place. This is the fair value gap which is over here. Let me draw it. This is the small FEG. Market is traveling to the fair value gap, and from there where it can have a entry, sell entry, tap down, more, or is it a retracement? Yeah, good. Entry increased. Stop loss, let's keep above. This is my stop. Okay. Entry, first target. Let's see now. And this is the SL. My SL is over here. Stop loss. And entry, my take profit, I'm going to drag it first is this, but I want to have ultimately this. This is my take profit. This is a BTC future sell trade. See, from the fair value gap it tapped in, that's the place where we did the entry. From that entry point, the market will drag down. My first target is on the swing low, which is over here. This is that swing low. Okay. And that's my first target. Okay. Market will tap into that target for sure. And after that moment, my ultimate target will be the FEG of 1 day. 1 day FEG. Very simple, very easy, very nice entry. Very simple and very easy entry I'm giving you. Okay. This is the point for you all to enter in the market for the sell side. Let's see. Let's see. User 607366 and user 353445. I have at least, okay, if you don't want to say anything, it's fine. But, ouch. But still, if I have given you entry, at least enter in the platform. take a trade and go for an entry for sell side for BTC future. And first target I've given you, the swing low, and second target is the 1 day fair value gap. Okay. Do not miss this entry. This is a very good entry which you can have. Take this entry. And even if you have a loss, that's a small loss we are going to have. But if you gain a profit, that's a very big profit we are going to get. So don't lose this option. Six. Soon. See, this is the first and last attempt which buyers are trying to make. Okay. Buyers will try to make an attempt to give their strength to keep on buying, keep on buying, keep on buying. And after that point, seller will take over once the strength of the buyer is gone. Okay. This is the moment. If you see some minus, that is totally fine. Okay. That is totally fine. You don't have to worry about those small minus. Goodbye, goodbye, an extreme buying. It's just a retracement, okay? Do not get fear. It's just a retracement. Like this. Came down, a small retracement, then fall up, then small retracement, then fall up, then small retracement, fall up, retracement, fall up. That's how market travels. Okay. You don't have to fear that thing. It's totally fine. Market can travel to this too, yeah, as well. This is also an fair value gap. What if market is trying to travel here? It doesn't even look like a fair value gap. And it looks like market can travel over there as well. To be very frank, to be very fair. Huh. That's a possibility. With the strength of this, it can travel more down. It's coming down again. But I don't know why I feel like there is some chance of market to come here. This fair value. I focused on a small fair value gap. I couldn't see a big fair value gap. There is a very big fair value gap over here. and it tapped just once with very less efforts, with very less investment. This is not very good investment. Very small candle. Sell candle are getting small, and then the good buying candle came. But let's see. If I face loss, you face loss. Minus 30. Minus 64, minus 6, 160. I thought about this fair value gap, but what about that? That fair value gap can fuck my entry. Minus 79. minus 220 to 9 193. Why there is suddenly no users in the live stream? Minus 200. What do you think, guys? Is this is that fair value gap which will be respected, or this? This one though is crossed already, but I still have some hope that my SL won't be hit. But there is a very big but over here, which is called as FVG, fair value gap. What are we gonna do about it? Minus 192. Minus 148. It's coming down, coming down, coming down, coming down, coming down. Come on. It was coming down, come down. It will come down. Why user has stopped coming in this section? Is it stream is going on, right? Where are the new users? play. Let's play. I really think this is that. This is the fair value gap which will be respected. This big one. My asset is gonna get hit. Shit. I didn't see. It was like this. It was all zoomed like this. Like this it was. So I focused on this fair value gap. I should have dragged it down to see that there is a very, very, very big fair value gap just above it, where market is right now traveling to get. Any news? Hut 8 report third quarter results. Income adjusted. Contribution from sequence misses quarter 3 revenue estimate. 15% year by year missing analysis stress. Bit miss. Welcome Oracle X 11589. Right now I can see you came, but yeah, I can see that you came by 35 minutes. This network is very slow. I cannot find people coming in when they come. Sometime I see welcome user 4835159. Welcome on the live stream of zibit.com. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for. I have given you entry, but do not enter right now. I really think that entry will come from this big fair value gap. I'm just keeping my entry alive, just in a hope. I know the hope is not good, but just in a hope, I'm keeping my entry alive because I think this is that one fair value gap where the market may tap in like this and fall down. This, but let's see. Let's see. I went a little early, but that's totally fine. That's totally fine. Still, I have 20 minutes left. I just hope that in my 20 minutes when I am here, the market will make a very good movement. Okay. Let's see. User 353445. If you want to talk, please talk. It's been almost 2 hours that you are here. It's almost 2 hours that you are here, right? Come on. Show me what you got. Welcome user 667122 on the live stream of Zibit platform. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. And you left. Okay. Very close we are to hit my stop. Very close. Very close. It is gonna hit for sure. My entry will get closed now. Very soon my entry is gonna get closed. Stop loss is gonna hit. It is traveling to the FEG only. I missed that FEG. That is the wrong thing I did. This is the wrong thing I did. I focused on this small fair value gap and my stop loss order got hit. Shit. We'll plan our BTC entry. Let's watch this market go to this point and then fall. Okay. Or how about we go for a small buy trade till this point? A very small buy trade for this point. Energy infrastructure platform hut 8 Q3 revenue beat estimates. How about we go for a very small buy entry at this point until this point? Take a very small entry buy over here, and I can put my take profit right over here so that I can recover the loss which I had as well at the same point. Right? At the same point, I can recover my loss and I can grab a good amount of profit as well. Like $160 more than my profit. Because I really think that's the place where the market is trying to go. Yeah, now you want to fall. Let's see. It should touch a fair value gap. It should touch that fair value gap. If it's not touching the fair value gap, then what's the point? Rejection, 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 rejection. It's a less, it's not that high, but it's a a small rejection, not that much. Let's keep our take profit till here, till this is the fair value gap where I'm going to keep my take profit as, because I'm very 101% sure that it is going to tap into that fair value gap, and then the major downfall is going to start to come again, which can go up to this one first line. This is the swing low. Always make sure, remember that this thing, that every swing low. Welcome user 800832. Welcome to the live stream of zippy.com. Thank you so much for joining the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. I've given you one trade. First trade went wrong. Welcome back again, and you left again. Okay. I love when I see this green thing. Green is good. Green is always good. Always. People should see green everywhere. Mm. 73. I'm positive that it's gonna go and touch this fair value gap. This over here, right over here. So I can, in this way, I can recover my profit as well. Plus, I can gain more from that. I can recover my loss plus gain some profit from it. I lost almost $400. I can gain almost $270 plus from it. My loss plus I can gain my profit from it. So that's why you should never get panic whenever you face loss, whenever you get any loss that you are facing loss. That is really fine. Facing loss is not an issue. Facing loss is good. It gives you an experience that what went wrong and how to be saved from it next time. So if you face loss, that is totally fine. I faced loss right now. I admit it. That's totally fine. I did a little wrong thing. I thought this is the only fair value gap which is over here, because this was the fair value gap. Okay. I thought it can tap it and it can bring it more down, but I forgot that there was a very huge fair value gap over here, which I forgot. That is totally fine. My mistake, honest mistake. But I will recover my loss and I will gain more profit from it. And from this point, again, I will enter for the sell side for this. Okay. Welcome user 110014. Welcome to the live stream. I've given you a trade. You can go and go for BTC future buy trade and keep your take profit, take target at the close point to the fair value gap. If you don't know how to put a fair value gap, just go on indicator, type fair value gap, like I said, value gap. Fair value gap, and you can see the first one itself. First one, Lux Algo. Just tap into this, and you can see this is my made up. If I just remove my made up thing, this is the block which is made by the indicator. Okay, if I remove this indicator, the block is gone. But you can use it by math, like your manually as well. Just like find a gap between three candles, and this is the gap which is between that three candle. Okay, that's it. Simple as it is. Okay. Welcome user 971271. Welcome to the live stream of zbit.com. Thank you so much for joining in. I've given you one live trade right now. I've given you one live trade. It is going to for a future buy BTC trade. You can enter at this point and you can keep your like take profit target is at 105140. But always make sure this one thing. I'm watching Binance's perpetual future contract on trading view. In the ZBit, it might the price, the value, the price might little different. So just go for the fair value gap. Their fair value gap will be there for very short. So just go for the fair value gap. Don't worry about the price. Okay. Price might have a little difference, but that's totally fine. Welcome user 762839. Welcome on the live stream of zbit.com. I've given you a live trade over here. I've given you a trade. You can go and take a same trade on this live stream. There are two options: deposit and take a trade. Tap on that, take a trade, and take a trade. And if you don't have a deposit, then click on that deposit option, deposit a very good amount, because this is one of those trades which will not come again and again and again. A very definite, a very short trade. Okay. So please make sure if you are depositing, deposit a good amount. $100, 200, 300,000, 10,000. Go crazy on deposit. Welcome 58, 58, 58.50, 50, 44. Welcome user 60. They just tap and they exit. Tap and exit. That's what they do. I can see over here the user will come and then come, go. Don't even wait for 5 seconds. But respect for user who was before watching me for 2 hours, and now there is another user who is watching me for the next 2 hours. I hope you have taken the trade. You don't talk. I know. I get it. I get it that you don't talk, but it feels sad that you don't talk, but you should. Sometime you should. Talking is a good thing. Talking is something like which can help you in the life, sort out a lot of stuffs. If you don't take the words out of yourself, then it will be just become an overthinking. It will just become a thought. It will just become one thought that will create, that will hurt you a lot of time. So just take the words out. Try to speak to people. Speaking to people is a good thing. You learn, you understand things. There are a lot of things you can do. Make sure. But thank you so much for joining this live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. Appreciate it. Really, 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 really appreciate it. Now it's time to have a minus. A lot of minus. I will re-enter. Re-enter. Welcome user 123209 and user 175876. Welcome to the live stream of zippy.com. Thank you so much for joining this live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. I've given you a trade for a buy side, and that is going a little down, but it's totally is fine because I really believe that it is gonna go and touch to this fair value gap where it will take the sell side limit order, and from there the market may fall more. Like it will travel to this fair value gap, will tap, and then we can have a very good downfall in the market. Okay, same exact way. Like, see, this was a fair value gap. Can you understand this? This is a small fair value gap over here. We saw that a market came to that fair value gap and the market fall a lot of time. Now same thing, same fair value gap is right over here, and that too much bigger. Okay, हिंदी बोला. अच्छा, तो मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ कि ये फेयर वैल्यू गैप क्या होता है ना, फेयर वैल्यू गैप होता है लिमिट ऑर्डर, कि अपन जैसे लोग क्या करते हैं कि ऑर्डर डायरेक्ट प्लेस कर देते हैं, पर जो बड़े बड़े लोग होते हैं जिनके पास बड़ा पैसा होता है वो एकदम से सारा पैसा नहीं लगाते. वो चुन चुन के पहले पहले कुछ 10 लाख 50 लाख 1 करोड़ ऐसा ऐसा कुछ के कर करके ना उसको पार्ट वाइज में लगाते हैं. तो उससे क्या होता है ना, ये एफवीजी फेयर वैल्यू गैप क्रिएट होता है. अब फेयर वैल्यू गैप क्रिएट होता है तो उसमें कैसा होता है कि यहाँ पे एक लिमिट ऑर्डर पड़ा हुआ है. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल मैं समझा, ठीक है, कि ये है मेरे पास 1 करोड़ रुपए. अब मैंने क्या किया कि 50 लाख पहले लगा दिया और 50 लाख फिर मैंने बाद में लगा दिया. ठीक है, तो अभी इसने ये 50 लाख का एंट्री तो पहले ले लिया. अब यहाँ पे फिर से एक लिमिट ऑर्डर पड़ा हुआ है उसका दूसरे 50 लाख. ठीक है, तो अब मार्केट क्या करता है, मार्केट को चाहिए पैसा, वो कहीं से भी आए उसे बस पैसा चाहिए. अब मार्केट को पता है कि यहाँ पे एक लिमिट ऑर्डर पड़ा हुआ है जो दूसरे 50 लाख का है उसके 1 करोड़ में का. ठीक है, तो ये मार्केट कुछ भी करके यहां तक जाएगा और फिर ये टैप करके फिर नीचे ट्रैवल करेगा. समझ में आ गया? अब इसका मैं एग्जांपल दिखाता हूं. अगर आपको एग्जांपल समझना है इसका कैसे हुआ ये सब, तो मैं एग्जांपल समझाता हूं. ठीक है, अभी ये एक और फेयर वैल्यू गैप था यहाँ पे, ये पहला वाला फेयर वैल्यू गैप था. फेयर वैल्यू गैप क्या होता है कि 3 कैंडल के बीच में गैप आती है, उसको बोलते हैं हम फेयर वैल्यू गैप. ठीक है, यहाँ पे उसने पहला इन्वेस्टमेंट किया, ये बड़ी कैंडल है, बड़ी कैंडल मतलब बड़ा पैसा. ठीक है, यहाँ पे उसने एक बड़ा पैसा लगा दिया, अपना बड़े पैसे का उसने इन्वेस्टमेंट कर दिया. ये वाली गैप क्रिएट हो गई. अब मार्केट घुमा 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 और वही गैप से उसी पॉइंट से वापस एक बड़ी कैंडल निकली. दिख रही हो ये, तो ये क्या होता है, फेयर वैल्यू गैप इसे ही बोलते हैं कि एक बार वापस टैप करके एक बड़ा इन्वेस्टमेंट वापस उसमें निकल जाता है। अब मार्केट ने क्या किया, ये बड़ा इन्वेस्टमेंट निकल गया, अब वापस से ये ऊपर जाने का ट्राई कर रहा है, कहां पे, वहीं फेयर वैल्यू गैप पे जाने का ट्राई करेगा और यहीं से फिर नीचे गिर जाएगा। तो सबसे पहले मैंने क्या किया कि अभी फेयर वैल्यू गैप जाना ही है उससे ऑलरेडी, तो यहाँ पे मैंने बाय ऑर्डर लगा दिया क्योंकि मेरे को पता है यहां तक तो जाएगा ही जाएगा, अभी यहाँ पे चल जाएगा, फिर यहाँ पे जैसे मार्केट पहुंच गया, मेरा प्रॉफिट मिल गया मेरे को। अब उसके बाद में ये करेगा नीचे सेल की एंट्री। अब सेल की एंट्री के लिए मेरे पास एक और टारगेट पड़ा हुआ है जो एक 1 डे का फेयर वैल्यू है। अब मार्केट वापस से इधर जाएगा, यहाँ पे कोई ना कोई लिमिट और ढूंढने का ट्राई करेगा और फिर यहाँ तक तो पहुंचेगा ही। तो यहाँ पे मेरी कितनी एंट्री हो गई, 2 एंट्री हो गई। कैसे, एक मेरी एंट्री जो मैंने बाय के लिए लेके रखा है, बाय एंट्री मेरी यहाँ पे खत्म हो जाएगी, यहाँ का प्रॉफिट मेरे को पहले मिल गया। अब यहां से जब मार्केट गिरना चालू कर देंगे तो फिर मैं वापस सेल पे एंट्री डाल दूंगा, फ्यूचर का सेल एंट्री, और फिर ये सेल की एंट्री में डालूंगा सबसे पहले ये ब्लू लाइन के ऊपर। ये जो ब्लू लाइन दिख रही है आपको, ये ब्लू लाइन है, यहाँ पे ये स्विंग लो, ये दिख रहा है, ये स्विंग लो, इसे बोलते हैं स्विंग लो। स्विंग लो में क्या होता है, बहुत से लोगों के ना ऑर्डर पड़े रहते हैं, इसे स्टॉप लॉस बोलते हैं, हमने ऑर्डर ले लिया, यहाँ पे स्टॉप लॉस लगा दिया। तो ये स्टॉप लॉस हमेशा एक बात याद रखना कि मार्केट जब भी ये ऐसे स्ट्रक्चर होते हैं ना, बड़े बड़े विग आते हैं नीचे नीचे, इसके नीचे जाने का जरूर ट्राई करेंगे क्योंकि वहां पे होता है स्टॉप लॉस लोगों का, जो चाहिए मार्केट को कि स्टॉप लॉस होता है मार्केट का प्रॉफिट। ठीक है, तो यहां से जब मार्केट गिरना चालू कर देगा तो मेरा पहला टारगेट होगा ये ब्लू लाइन, जिसका वैल्यू है अभी यहाँ पे 103457। पर जरूरी नहीं है, मैं यहाँ पे देख रहा हूँ ये बाइनेंस का चार्ट है, ठीक है, जीबिट में कुछ और प्राइसिंग दिख रही होगी क्योंकि जीबिट में बाइनेंस का चार्ट नहीं दिख रहा हो। तो सिर्फ थोड़ा सा 1 आवर के चार्ट पे जाके ये पीछे पीछे स्लाइड करके जहां पे भी ये एक ऐसा स्ट्रक्चर दिख गया स्विंग लो, उसकी प्राइस को आप टारगेट बना सकते हैं, सिंपल सा। ठीक है, बहुत इजी है, ज्यादा हार्ड नहीं है। मेरा टाइम खत्म हो गया है तो मैं अभी चलता हूँ, मेरा लाइव स्ट्रीम का टाइम खत्म हो चुका है। जितने भी नए लोग हैं यहाँ पे, जिन्होंने नए बार आए हैं, पहली बार आए हो, प्लीज ये लाइव स्ट्रीम के यहाँ पे 2 ऑप्शन है, एक डिपॉजिट का होता है और एक ट्रेड का होता है। जब मैं लाइव ट्रेड, जैसे अभी मैंने लाइव ट्रेड दे दिया, अब वहां पे आप थे नहीं अवेलेबल तो आपकी एंट्री मिस हो गई, कोई बात, पर आप डिपॉजिट करके रहो कि नेक्स्ट टाइम जब मैं एंट्री दूंगा तो वहां पे आप थोड़ा अलर्ट रहना। लाइव स्ट्रीम में कंटिन्यू वहां पे 4 घंटे की लाइव स्ट्रीम रहती है मेरी, 4 घंटे की लाइव स्ट्रीम में मैं अपनी ट्रेड ढूंढता हूँ, जहां पे मेरे को ट्रेड मिल गया मैं वहां पे ट्रेड ले लेता हूँ। तो ये लाइव स्ट्रीम पे बने रहना बहुत जरूरी है, ठीक है। एंड डिपॉजिट मैंने अभी न्यू अकाउंट बनाया है, ठीक है, आपने भी न्यू अकाउंट बनाया है, आपके न्यू अकाउंट में यहाँ पे आपको लाइव स्ट्रीम के यहाँ पे 2 ऑप्शन दिख रहे होंगे, एक डिपॉजिट का और एक टेक ए ट्रेड का। तो यहाँ पे पहले सबसे पहले डिपॉजिट पे क्लिक करके पैसा डिपॉजिट करो। पैसा मतलब जितना भी आपको लग रहा है कि 10 USDT, 20 USDT, 30, 40, जितना आपको लग रहा है उतना आप पैसा डिपॉजिट करो, और उसके बाद में बाजू का जो ऑप्शन है टेक अ ट्रेड, उस पर टैप करके फिर मेरे जैसा ट्रेड ले सकते हो। मुझे $20 मिला है। हाँ, तो ये बोनस अमाउंट है, आप ये बोनस अमाउंट आप सिर्फ फ्यूचर का पहला जो ट्रेड होता है आप उसके लिए यूज कर सकते हो, कंप्लीटली फ्री। ठीक है, अब ये $20 से आप ट्रेड ले सकते हो, इसका जो भी लॉस होगा वो हम लोग करेंगे, हम लोग झेलेंगे, पर इसमें जो भी आपको प्रॉफिट मिलता है उसका विड्रॉल कैसे करें। ये $20 का विड्रॉल नहीं होता है, ये होता है बोनस अमाउंट, ठीक है। ये बोनस अमाउंट हमने आपको इन्वेस्टमेंट के तौर पे दिया हुआ है कि आप इन्वेस्टमेंट के तौर पे इसे इन्वेस्ट करो। पहली जो हमारी ट्रेड होती है फ्री ट्रेड होती है, ठीक है, फ्यूचर की पहली ट्रेड फ्री होती है जिसका इन्वेस्टमेंट हम देते हैं, बट ये इन्वेस्टमेंट आप विड्रॉ नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि ये बोनस अमाउंट है। आप इसको लेके ट्रेड ले लो, ट्रेड से जो भी प्रॉफिट आता है आप वो विड्रॉ कर सकते हो, पर ये बोनस अमाउंट विड्रॉ नहीं होगा, $20 विड्रॉ नहीं होगा। 20 को अगर आप ट्रेडिंग करते हो, अगर $20 आपने ट्रेड पे लगा दिया, उसके बाद जो उस पे आपको प्रॉफिट मिलता है, चाहे वो 10, 20, 30, 40 जितना भी प्रॉफिट मिलेगा आपको, आप वो विड्रॉ कर सकते हो। ये $20 का बोनस आप विड्रॉ नहीं कर सकते। ठीक है, उसे इन्वेस्ट कैसे करें? सिंपल है, जीबिट की ऐप, आपको जीबिट का ऐप नहीं पता है क्या? जीबिट के ऐप पे जहाँ पे, एक सेकेंड ना मैं लॉग इन कर लेता हूँ, मैं दिखाता हूँ, जस्ट 1 मिनट दे दो मेरे को, 1 मिनट, मैं लॉग इन करना चाहता हूँ अपने ऐप पे। जीबिट के फ्यूचर ऑप्शन में मुझे रीडिंग करना नहीं आता, रीडिंग करना नहीं आता, तो सबसे पहले तो फिर आप डिपॉजिट ही कर दो। रीडिंग करना नहीं आता ना, कोई बात नहीं, आप बीटीसी का जो यहाँ पे जो जीबिट का ऑप्शन दिख रहा है, जीबिट के वहां पे बीटीसी का जो ट्रेड दिख रहा है, फ्यूचर ओबी, मैं ना लॉग इन करके दिखाता हूँ आपको, ऐसे समझेगा, क्योंकि आप नए हो ना। मैं लॉग इन करता हूँ अपने जीबिट केस में, ये जीबिट है, मुझे लॉग इन करने दो, तो दिखा नहीं सकता हूँ मैं। ट्रेंडिंग करना नहीं, ट्रेडिंग करना नहीं आता आपको, कोई बात नहीं, मैं सिखाता हूँ, मैं सिखाऊंगा ट्रेडिंग। लॉग इन हो गया है, ठीक है, ये अपना प्लेटफॉर्म है। यहाँ पे देखो, ये भी ट्रेड दिख रहा होगा आपको, देखो ट्रेड दिख रहा है, ट्रेड, ये ट्रेड की यहाँ पे ये पहला जो फ्यूचर्स है, फ्यूचर, इस पे क्लिक करना है। इस पे क्लिक करने के बाद में आपको दिखेगा बीटी, ये यहाँ पे कॉइन चेंज करके ना बीटीसी कर दो इसको, यहाँ पे बीटीसी का कॉइन ऐड, बीटीसी का कॉइन ऐड कर दिया। फिर यहाँ पे आपको लेना है ये ओपन, और फिर यहाँ पे ओपन लॉन्ग करना है, ठीक है, यहाँ से आप ट्रेड ले सकते हो, ये होता है ट्रेडिंग का पूरा पैनल ही। इसको अपन मार्केट ऑर्डर में रखना, पर मार्केट ऑर्डर में रखो, ओपन लॉन्ग कर दो, और टेक प्रॉफिट लगा दो। मैं बताता हूँ टेक प्रॉफिट कहाँ पे, एक सेकेंड, ये वाले चार्ट का कुछ अलग हुआ था, 2 मिनट रुक जाओ बस। इसका टेक प्रॉफिट आपके हिसाब से है 105,173, 105,173, ठीक है। यहाँ पे ये ट्रेड को ओपन लॉन्ग कर दो सबसे पहले, उसके बाद में नीचे ये दो ऑप्शन दिख रहा है आपको, टीपीएसएल, इसमें जाके ना ये टीपी जो है, टीपी इधर लिख दो, वन, क्या था वो, 105,17, एक सेकेंड, एक सेकेंड, ये है 105,179, 105,179, यहाँ पे जाके लिख दो 105,179, प्रॉफिट मिल जाएगा। ये इतना कर दो बस, टेक प्रॉफिट में जाके 105,179 लिख दो और ओपन लॉन्ग कर देना, मार्केट ऑर्डर करना, पर मार्केट ऑर्डर, ये लिमिट करने की जरूरत नहीं है, ट्रिगर करने की जरूरत नहीं है, सिर्फ मार्केट ऑर्डर करना, मार्केट, मार्केट ऑर्डर पे जाके यहाँ पे ये वाला जो ये मैंने बोला है, यहाँ पे टेक प्रॉफिट पे 105,179 लिख दो और ओपन लॉन्ग पे क्लिक कर देना, ऐसा बस, और कुछ नहीं करना है, ठीक है, बस इतना ही है, सिंपल। सो That's my time, everybody. Thank you so much for joining this live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. I'll take a leave now. I'll see you after 2 days because Wednesday, Thursday are my holiday. I'll see you after 2 days. Thank you so much for being a part. Thank you so much for being over here. If you have any doubt before leaving, if you have any doubt, anything, please you can ask me. I can stay here for 5 to 10 minutes. If you have any कुछ डाउट है, कुछ चीजें पूछे तो अभी जल्दी से पूछ सकते हो, नहीं तो फिर मैं यहाँ से अभी चली जाऊंगा क्योंकि हमारा लाइव स्ट्रीम होता है 4 घंटे का। आज अब नहीं आए हो तो अब मैं एक चीज बता देता हूँ कि मैं आता हूँ फ्राइडे, सैटरडे, संडे, मंडे, ट्यूसडे, ये 5 दिन में यहाँ पे आके लाइव ट्रेड्स देता हूँ। ठीक है, अब ये 5 दिन में मैं आता हूँ, आप इंडिया के टाइमिंग से 1:30 से लेके 5:30 तक मैं यहाँ पे लेता हूँ लाइव। उस लाइव में कभी भी मेरी एंट्री हो सकती है, कभी भी मैं एंट्री ले सकता हूँ। तो ये 1:30 से लेके 5:30 तक का लाइव मेरा देखना बहुत जरूरी है। और हाँ, आपको अगर मेरा YouTube वीडियो देखना है तो मैं बताता हूँ। सबसे पहले तो अगर आप नए यूजर हो ना, तो ये लाइव स्ट्रीम के वहां पे 2 ऑप्शन रहते हैं, डिपॉजिट का, टिकट ट्रेड का। हमेशा सबसे पहले आके यहाँ पे डिपॉजिट करना है, क्योंकि फिर एंट्री, क्योंकि मेरी एंट्री कभी भी हो सकती है, उसका मेरा कोई अता पता नहीं रहता, क्योंकि मार्केट ने जब एंट्री दे दी मैंने एंट्री ले लिया बेसिकली। तो प्लीज जब भी आप लाइव स्ट्रीम पे आओ तो सबसे पहले क्या करो, डिपॉजिट पे क्लिक करके डिपॉजिट करो। मैं अभी आपको यूट्यूब चैनल बताता हूँ अपना। ये है यूट्यूब, ये यहाँ पे जाना है। उसके बाद ये टाइप करना है। क्या टाइप करोगे? CHEEZEBIT, चीजी बिट। ये दिखेगा कुछ ऐसा। ठीक है, ये ऐसा लोगो है, येलो और पर्पल में ऐसा एक वी का लोगो है, चीजी बिट नाम का। उस पर क्लिक करेंगे, उसके बाद जाएंगे ये लाइव पे। ये दिख रहा है लाइव, ये लाइव दिख रहा है लाइव, ये लाइव पे क्लिक करना है। और लाइव पे क्लिक करने के बाद में इसे अब लाइव पे आ गए। अभी इसमें सारे मेरे चेहरे दिख गए। ठीक है, अभी इस पे आके सबसे नीचे चलना है, सबसे नीचे से, क्योंकि मेरा जो मतलब शुरुआत किया था वो नीचे से किया था। सबसे बेसिक से 0 से शुरुआत करना है हमें। तो नीचे चलते ना, नीचे 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 नीचे, आएगा 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 आएगा। हाँ, यहाँ से ये जो मेरा पहला वीडियो है, ठीक है, मैंने क्या पहना देख लेना, ये व्हाइट और ब्लैक कुछ तो पहना है मैंने। यहाँ से मैंने पूरी क्रिप्टो की मेरी जर्नी चालू की, जहाँ पे मैंने ट्रेडिंग कैसे करते हैं एकदम जीरो से। मतलब किसी को ट्रेडिंग के बारे में कुछ पता ही नहीं है, कुछ ट्रेडिंग सीखे ही नहीं है, ट्रेडिंग का अता पता भी नहीं है, फिर भी अगर वो बंदा ये वाली फर्स्ट वीडियो से अगर देखना चालू करेगा तो सारा ट्रेडिंग का पूरा नॉलेज ये यहाँ से, फिर ये चालू करना, फिर ये 2 3 यहाँ से पूरा देखते रहना, फिर ये पूरा वीडियो देखते रहना। यहाँ पे आपको सारी चीजें, उसमें ट्रेड कैसे लेते हैं, ट्रेड कैसे ढूंढते हैं, एंट्री कैसे लेते हैं, टारगेट कैसा लेते हैं, एसएल कैसे लगाते हैं, सारी चीजें उसमें समझाएगी। ठीक है, ये मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल है, नीचे से चालू करना है। मेरा पहला वीडियो ये है, पहला वीडियो ये है जिसमें मैंने व्हाइट और कुछ तो ब्लैक का पहना हुआ है। ठीक है, ये मेरा पहला,
don't have a
ये मेरा पहला वीडियो।
what is the minimum amount to begin with? Begin what? ऋषिकेश,
एंड इस चैनल का नाम जैसे मैंने बता ही दिया ऑलरेडी, इसलिए ऐसा दिखता है चैनल, चीजी बिट, CHEEZEBIT, ये है चैनल। ये इसका लोगो है ऐसा, ये ऐसा लोगो दिखेगा। उस पे जाके लाइव पे सबसे नीचे से चालू करना है, जहां पे मेरा पहला वीडियो दिख जाएगा। ठीक है, समझ गए? So thank you so much everybody for joining this live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. I will take a leave now. Bye bye. ये प्रॉफिट तो हो ही जाएगा ऑब्वियसली। ठीक है, बाय बाय।